ewo nwanne onye egede ọ ga-awa echi okpuru ọkpa gị ụmụ agwọ nọ dị ọ na-agba ego atụpụkwa na agwa ndị ọsụgụ ego ahụ ọ na-agba ọnụ biko onye ọbụla ga-eji welu ndụmọdụ dị mkpa ndụmọdụ a dịkwa mkpa egede mana bifo anyị enye ndụmọdụ a na anyị ga-ajụ ajụjụ agwa ịma n'obodo awogo obodo ụmụ anụmanụ obodo ụmụ anụ ọbịa ya mere onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ agwọ onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ agwọ so that ụbọchị ọbụla ị chọrọ ego ọ bụrụ na ifuru ego ọ bụrụ na ifuru ego iziri agwọ na banki ka ọ pụtalụ ya ego oyibo kpọrọ ya snake ATM n'ọdịkwa egwu ọgwa ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego ọgwa ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego agwọ nọgidere ego no 36 million ife adịkwa m egwu ma ị mara azụ agwọ jee mụọ ka esi azụ mọnki na-ebu ego egbu ma ị mara azụ mọnki jee jụọ ndị 911 fa ga-akọwalụ ya ọfụma biko na o nwere ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ ajụjụ adịkwa mkpa eje m n'ọsọ ọsọ banana ka mọnki na-ebuo ama m na ọ na-ebu ego banana oburu ego mọnki bugidere ego bụ 70 million ife adịkwa m banana oburu ego ọ bụrụ na ị ga-echete ife melụla sie ọkwala sie mgbe onye isi anabatalụ be anyị na-emelụ ka anyị marụ n'oke katapila atagago ọfisi onye isi ana na ga-alụgharị ya alụgharị ife a ga-eji rụgharịa ya 4.9 bilion ndị a na-eri anyị ọlụ biko na o nwere ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ biko ajụjụ ọ dịkwa mkpa ọfisi onye isi ana ọ dị na Ajegunle onye ma ya kọwakwa ọfisi onye isi ana ọ dị na Awada ife ọ dịkwa m egwu ọfisi onye isi ana nwanne ọ dị na Ịlaje obodo efi ka mkpa wee karịa nọ mmadụ obodo efi ka mkpa wee karịa nọ egbe eji eche efi nche kakwa nke ji eche mmadụ nche ife adị egwu obodo enwelụ Operation Crocodile Smile n'ọkara aka obodo enwelụ Operation Python Dance egwu egwu obodo enwelụ Operation Catrace niile na-ada anụ Lassa fever na-akpagharị n'obodo na-egbe monkeypox ife aka ezigbo onye amụma Nnamdi Kanu n'obula amụma wee si ọkwa si n'obodo awogo obodo ụmụ anụmanụ achụbazie ya ka egbue mgba na-awa ọchịkwanụ na-enwekwara ike na-enwekwara ike bifo ndị ọchịchị ha lituo ịma ife ọzọ ị ga-anụzi na-enye eburugo Central Bank ife adịkwa m godogodogodo onye eze na onwerekwa ife m gwara ya onwerekwa ife
All right, welcome back.
Until we'll come.
Welcome back. So we are going to start the program without wasting much time. We have spent 5 minutes. So I can see some of us on the comment section. You are welcome. You are highly, highly welcome. I've seen Excellence Wachuku, Victoria Weke, Oyekachi, I greet you, and Hoods. Is it Hood Boy? I see you, James. James, you're welcome. Now, these are the people that made comments. So I don't want to waste much time because honestly, I did not plan to come live now. But there's something that I need to, when I saw that, I don't need to wait. All right. And this is the news from Guidance. The Guidance, they say something very, very interesting. A kind of, this may clear some doubts, all right? And this may set some of the records straight, if not all. So that's why you need to join us. And please make sure you like the video and subscribe to this channel. Very, very important that you do so. And if you put your comment, that's the only way I can know that you are here, to be honest with you. I am not a magician. So please put your comment, let your comment keep coming. I can see some of us are just joining. Please, once you join, make sure you like the video. Chigos, Amadi Chigos, I greet you. And Jidek, Elizabeth, Mazi, Kai, good evening. I'm watching you from Congo. Wow. From Congo. Doreen is here. I greet you, man. You're welcome. Okay, so please keep your comment coming. This is PM. You are seeing pictures of PM here. PM picture from Vanguard. No, Guidance, or not Vanguard. Okay, and I'm trying to let me remove my picture, right? My video, so that it will, maybe it's gonna help us a little bit. So as long as you can hear me, right? So let's just manage it this way. This is the headline from Vanguard. This is Guidance, please. The Guardian. So they said Biafran lobby network fueling Christian genocide campaign in US. When I saw this headline, I was like, okay, is it Ogenkere again? But hold it. Here, documents obtained from the United States Department of Justice revealed. Please, is it readable from your end? Oh, it's still tiny. Let me see if I can expand it a little bit. It's tiny. It's tiny. Just a moment. Let me check it again. Yeah, I think it's better now, right? So please zoom it. Please zoom it. How is it now? Is it okay now? Please, can someone just confirm, please? Is it okay now? Let me remove this. It's better. It should be better. Or let me zoom it a little bit more. Okay. I think this is the highest we can go, please. Okay. Document obtained from the United. Okay, let me start from the beginning again. Okay, this is the Guardian. Different lobbyist network fueling Christian genocide campaign in US. Today's date is 19 November, 2025. All right. So they just made this publication today. When you come down here, it says documents obtained from the United States Department of Justice, DOJ, reveal that a coalition of pro-Biafran groups is behind the campaign of the Christian genocide in Nigeria, leading President Trump to declare Nigeria a country of particular concern, CPC. U.S. Senator Ted Cruz recently accused federal government of enabling a massacre against the Christian population in the country. Cruz, in a video posted on air, said there is no country on earth where Christians are more persecuted than Nigeria. Okay, according to him, Boko Haram and radical Islamist extremists have murdered over 5,000 Christians since 2009 and have destroyed more than 220,000 churches and schools. Meanwhile, the document submitted under the U.S. Foreign Agent Registration Act (FARA) linked the campaign to a group called United States of Biafra. This is the where my interest was like, okay, now nobody find Negunu, right? Which include the Biafran Republic government in exile, Briggy, and Biafran de facto government in exile, Biafran de facto government in homeland, right? So all this thing goes to show that the USB government are not posting where they have handshake and holding flower and hugging one senator another, but the news is paving waves. You see, sometimes in life we underestimate, some of the things simply because we want to see it in another fashion, like the way some people that are propagating, pushing themselves, that they are the one doing something and all that, social media. But when people do something, people that are actually doing something, you don't hear that bragging, because there's no time for that. Now, the DOJ, that's the Department of Justice, require foreign political actors to register under FARA to ensure transparency about their influence efforts. The feeling is one of the pieces of the evidence so far that the diaspora-driven separatist advocacy, much of it amplified on social media, is being organized, funded, and positioned as a foreign policy issue within the U.S. Briggy's representative moral group, Global Strategist, MGS, under the leadership of former U.S. Congressman Jim Mora, has developed ties with Cruz office. Now, when you come here, he said the disclosure reviewed by Guidance shows that representatives of both entities signed and joint declaration in Lahti, Finland on December 2nd. This is, I will tell you what happened here. On December 2nd, 2024, ascertaining that Nigeria is engaging in a genocidal onslaught against Biafrans and Christians. Now, let me tell you something. You see, this is the reason why COS DPM decided to send that warning to Ogenkere. This is one of the reasons, because they keep on bringing some information that is not adding up, just to make it look like something is going on. Do you understand? Because where's the message anymore? I can't see it anymore. Okay, sorry about it. The whole thing just disappeared. When you read it, this part that I'm trying to go back to now, you will notice something is contradicting there. One is the date of declaration, another thing is moral global strategist. We all know the stand of the Elias and Dabere. These are people who vow to sue Biafra, isn't it? And we know that what Ogenkere is doing on social media, because Guidance, I believe their source of information, somehow they touch every area. Maybe because of what Ogenkere is doing on social media, they copied it, of course, added it there. Because if they have done their primary assignment very, very well, they would have understood. In fact, it is very common for somebody who claims to be a journalist to have that date. You don't need to ask anybody. You don't need to place a call to call anybody to know when Biafra was declared. But because of this recent Ogenkere, misinformation, some people may be confused about that date. That's why we keep on hammering on it, because if you keep quiet, that is just the fact. So when you see what they put what they put out here, that it was declared on Latin Finland and on December 2nd, there's nothing like that. It's just a fallacy. There's nothing whatsoever like that. I'm trying to remove this Nigerian advertisement here, but it's not. So it's not going. So let me point out something again that they said here, which is this Moral Global, because we know that their stand, we know that they are naturally, they have vowed to follow Ogenkere, and Ogenkere is the one deceiving them, because they have maybe ulterior motive for them for Ogenkere to succeed, by deceiving Biafran constantly, hiding under lobby is a thing of concern. So in your own little way, do you understand? It is now time for you to keep on reminding your the general public, everybody, that Biafran was declared on November 29. And I believe that after this independence, I believe it will go a long way to prove, do you understand, that truly Biafran was declared, the day that people, all of us, we all know, right? We all know when it was declared. So sorry about the noise. I know maybe you guys will be struggling to hear what I'm saying. I'm trying to remove this thing again. Try to remove it again, but it's not. Please, let's just manage it that way. All right. Now let's continue. Ascertaining that Nigeria is engaging in genocidal onslaught against Biafran and Christians. Then 5 things to know about Africa's first G20. US, this one you can click on it and you start reading all these things. I don't think it's necessary. So let's continue from here. Self-identify Biafrans in the diaspora, including Simon Ekpa, a Finnish citizens, and the group's prime minister, that's the prime minister of Biafran, are among the signatories that the document that they're talking about. Ekpa has since been jailed for 6 years in Finland on multiple charges, including participation in the activities of Ndobunigwe organization, incitement to commit crimes for Ndobunigwe purposes, aggravated tax fraud, and violation of Lawyers Act. This is just to, imagine Nigerian journalists writing jargon. Which one is aggravated tax fraud? Doshi. This is just a way to paint PM bad. I understand. So, and you don't expect them to write something nice about him. That is justified. So I'm not expecting them to write something nice about him, because the agenda is to blackmail him, to do this and do that. But as the more they're doing it, the more Fulanis are occupying every area. And even the breaking news before we start this program is that Nigerian army there's a school children they kidnapped from Kebbi State, right? And Nigerian army is there to go on a rescue mission to rescue them. And again, terrorists, ambush them and, do one or two things. The video is on S. You can, if you want to see it after this, please check on Sahara Reporter. They have the video of some of the students that survived. Okay, and this is to tell you that if you have a brother or sister working in Nigerian army, you need to help the person. Help, because sometimes Adama Onachi. William said, when are you going to repent and stop deceiving Biafrans? So-called case was, and look at, this is the problem I'm having with these people. Kai, when are you going to repent and stop deceiving Biafrans? What? Say, why not give thanks to Ogenkere for job well done? Okay, because I have not read it. Okay, hang on. I will tell you, because I've not read it all. Let us continue reading since you are still here before you run away, because or they tag Unababocha. Hold on, since that is your problem. So I stopped here. Ekpa has since been jailed for 6 years in Finland on multiple counts charges, including participation in acts. Okay, I think I don't need to go there. Other signatories, you that is talking, let's listen. Other signatories in the document are Dr. Ngozi Orabeze, a U.S. citizen, listed as Deputy Prime Minister. To tell you that this happened after, don't tell me it's old document. Okay. You are here. You think I'm like you? And again, Diana Ene, as a U.S. citizen, listed as Secretary of Finance and Investment. We are here. So between me and you now, who is evil? Let's continue. You guys are glory eaters. You see, these fallback people, you guys don't joke with anything good, not good news. You want to claim it, you want to be at the hem of everything, you want to make headline news. I should give credit to Genkere. Hi, Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Okay, you know, I'm not one of those that are visiting Moral Global or having handshake with congressmen. I'm not one of those. But from my own little knowledge, all right, I understand that there's no freedom fighter in this world that lie to people that he want to free. You know, he's fighting freedom from. You don't. No matter what, you may do propaganda for you to save lives or give them courage, but he's still lying and hiding from transparent information that's supposed to be in public, or just make yourself available for the people that you claim that you are fighting for. You can't even do the easiest thing to do as a freedom fighter. And you have the audacity to tell me that I should, when am I going to repent? Repent from what? You know what you call repent is when you want me to be corrupt so that I can now be, if I on my camera and say that, oh, our ATM is having handshake with the congressman. If this guy can come out publicly and claim that because of him, U.S. listed Nigeria as a country of particular concern. Even on X, you don't need to be in Biafra movement, just on X alone. You see videos of people championing it from different angle. After seeing those new headline news, you people will run back to your your hideout and tell their friends and that next week they will see what will happen, because you are predicting, just like fake pastors, predicting what tomorrow may hold for you. Like now, I may tell you that, oh God, that the Spirit is telling me now that in the coming next week there will be terrorist attack in Nigeria. Just imagine that. Like now, I will tell you that from next weekend, there are more, which you know that is something that is going that must happen, because in Nigeria now the act of terrorism is done on a daily basis. In a day, what we check, what we are counting is how many. Nobody is asking, is it going to happen? Even tomorrow, we are going to have there will be a new victim of terrorism tomorrow. All right, next tomorrow. In fact, from now to Saturday, you will hear another massacre. It is not normal thing. So if I present it as kind of that I'm a Messiah or a prophet or prophetess or Okedibia, what does that tell you? It simply means that I'm lying, because it's something that you yourself can predict from your own house, from your own domain. You can do the same thing. I should give credit to Genkere. I have used this my platform, exposed to general public how they did daily post, and put Genkere headline news at what Genkere have done. When I trace it from the website of Daily Post, the news says different thing. Even myself, I expose it as well. As bad as that one is, he managed to expose it as well. The same group of Genkere, Sona Parawa, and people like you post it. You took a screenshot from Daily Post, report news that does not exist from Daily Post handle or their website. Then you did not even put the name of the people, name of the reporter. That's where he made the mistake. When we exposed it, they did not react, they did not comment. Their next post, they started putting, there's one guy that that's working with Daily Post. They keep on putting the guy's name. Most of these newspapers they are publishing Ogenkere and bringing, if you trace it, you will find out that that thing is not in the website. It's not true. Unverified news. When it is somebody like that who claims to be a freedom fighter, if he can devote his time to create stories like that just to deceive people, what does that tell you? And you are here telling me I should do this. You must be a madman. You must be a madman. Anyway, let's continue. Where is that guy again? William. Why not giving thanks to Ogenkere? Why not giving thanks to Ogenkere? He said, you have mental problem. If I send link now for you to come now and tell me what Ogenkere have done, genuinely, you won't come. None of you guys are afraid of coming to people's platform. You are very scared. You don't come. Even US people have managed to come here to challenge us. I've been waiting and calling all of you to come. Let us hear from you on a neutral ground, so you can tell us what. So I will present to you what Ogenkere have done. You're welcome. You're welcome, sir. Well done, Mazakai. That's our brother Oluchiwa God. Greetings to you, sir. You're welcome. I'm actually going to say, buy ọtọ n'ahịa ọmankwebịa ka akọwa ya ka akụkọ ya ọfụma. You won't come. You are just hiding and complaining. I don't understand. Anyway, please, let's go back to the program, because these guys, they are very, very good at distracting other people. If you know, I should give credit to Ogenkere for on something that I already know. Now I've told you. Look at the Guardian put it clearly here that people that sign the document, there is that are paving ways in the US. Look at it here. Am I the one? You think I'm the one that this is direct from their website? I did not even. That's why you can see you are seeing this advert direct from the Guardian website. I'm just sharing it to you. Okay, undiluted. You are here talking nonsense. Now, he said, why the group advocates secession from Nigeria? Let me bring this down. The FRA feels its messaging is tolerant towards American political audience, particularly conservative group and individual aligned with Trump. The document argued that supporting Biafra would counter China's influence in Africa and protect Christians allegedly under siege. So Christians are under siege, not even allegedly. You can see it now. The organization described its activities as services, including including leadership of Biafran citizens in the diaspora, fundraising, humanitarian assistance and appointment, and pronouncement and rules. The filing indicate a structured. I wish this one will just go. Let me read this properly. A structured attempt to build political legitimacy abroad rather than inside Nigeria. The FARA document includes the lengthy ideological statement laying out the group's grievances, citing episodes of historical violence, political execution, and cultural conflict in Nigeria. The narrative attempt to explain the group's desire to break away, including broad statement and historical view that experts say resemble the language used in online misinformation efforts. However, the document says that after an internal vote held from February 1st to November 28, 2024, oh, sorry about it. 2024. The movement declared the restoration of independent state of Biafra, claiming control over 40 confederating states. Remember, it's USB charger. Remember, so from USB charger now to giving no credit, you must be a madman. From USB charger to giving no credit of what charger? Have you bought your own? Have you buy your own charger? The declaration designated. It's a declaration designated ECPA as the coordinator of transition government security analysis warned that such campaign, when framed around religious persecution and genocide, can heighten ethnic tension within Nigeria and shape international perception based on selective or unverified narratives. Former Minister of Foreign Affairs, Professor Bolaji Akiyemi, said on Channels TV that the charge of genocide could damage the country's global reputation and diplomatic ties with the US. So this is from the guidance. And when you see all those things, somebody is somewhere telling me that I should give credit. That is an insult, to be honest with you. Very, very big insult. So this is what is going on, and this goes back to what Finland did. I believe they are seeing those news. I believe that they cannot see how other countries are reacting towards what is going on in Nigeria, because all this buying and forcing themselves on the women and burning churches down, disrupting services, church services and everything, kidnapping school girls and children, like the one that took place yesterday in Kwara State. What do you think that when Alexander Stubb, or whatever he called himself, and the foreign Finland minister, diplomat in Nigeria, reading those news, what would be in their, what do you think would be going in their mind? What is that thing that will be going in their mind? You see, sometimes when you think that these people, because they are white, they have conscience, some of them don't have conscience. They don't have conscience at all. And that is the reason why they can pretend that they are fighting, they are known for what they call it, freedom. They're known for freedom. Finland is a country for, that can support, and they don't do their fourth war and all that because of natural resources. Now, where do you think Finland fate would be? Like, knowing for a fact what is going on now. And I don't know how their politics, is now in Finland. I don't know how, opposition parties should just take advantage of what is going on, knowing fully well that the man called Alexander Stubb, or Alexander, whatever he called himself, is not, that man don't mean good for Finland. He has destroyed Finnish reputation. He has destroyed it totally. To the extent now that people like me that don't know much about Finland before, PM is one that actually made me to start paying attention about what Finland this and Finland that. And I believe many Biafrans are like that. So we have let them enjoy the few period that we throw our trust and love on them. Now is normal, especially on that Abacha Kparonko, the president in the Finland. Even Muslims, and I wonder the kind of Christian they're practicing in Europe, to be honest with you. Even Muslim countries, people that are good Muslims, can see through what is going on in Nigeria, and they're condemning it. But the so-called Christians, I'm not saying that we should just hate Finland as a country, but you see the current regime in Finland, we need to single them out, because they are the one. Or an average Finnish citizen may not have hand on what is going on. This is what PM was fighting to stop. If not because of the policy of the platform, there are some videos that I would have loved to share now, simply because of what is going on, the current situation. But if I do that now, they will delete this video instantly, because you see some people be carrying gun and all that. Millions of Nigerians are yet to understand what is going on. When I read some of the influencers, their reports, what they're saying, it makes me laugh. It makes me laugh because they don't understand. Imagine someone like AY comedian. The post he made, which of course we shared it, earlier today in one of our videos. If you read it, you understand. They actually believe that somehow this is just that thing they're saying now will somehow change the situation. You don't. The most dangerous thing in this life is when you are fighting with someone that have already made up his mind. Like when you argue with somebody that have made up his mind to fight you, and you still think that your quarrel with the person will end just by words of mouth. You just argue. They have made up their mind to fight you, fight you, death you. And not only they have made up their mind, they have actually purchased everything that they whatever that is needed to fight you. And you still think that you are just, exchanging words, like bantering each other. It has gone beyond that. Chichi, baby, I see you. Biafra champion Buffalo. I greet all of you in the comment section. Please, I may not be calling names, like that. Okay, so everything that is going on now, some of our Igbo brothers are yet to understand. I saw your brother Jovika. Somebody shared the video. One of our brother here sent me one of his videos, and from that video, I was able to scan through his profile and everything. Okay, the Kuzna. I may stop that he is contemplating now to stop talking about Biafra. That he may not be bringing Biafran issue anymore in his video. I was like, no. You have to finish it. You have to, because now you know why he wants to stop. If you have time, maybe tomorrow we may bring Jovika out just to touchlight him a little bit, because also Nabazunugu, so that we can go play anything now. If you can get men. Osumowu, people of Osun is angry. People of Osumowu is angry. People of Osumowu, then ask them, Osumowu people and people from Kwara State, you think they are more stronger, or don't understand? Or what makes you think that what is going on in Kwara State now will not be able to happen in Osumowu? You see all this sabotage? I'm telling you, if all of them will test it. I don't know how it will happen, but I can assure you that it will happen. All of them will see it. They will regret. It is easy to destroy something that is good. It may be that is one of the easiest things to do, to destroy something. But is it to fix something back is always a very big task, very big issue to do, and they are yet to reset their brain. Everything, there's a video of some of you that have watched our video of Fulani people with their motorbike in Imo State today. Somebody is also trending somehow, and we shared it here. What do you think? Watching that kind of video, what comes to your mind? Tomorrow, Saturday, maybe Christmas will be Christmas carol and the Christmas 24th night, right? Okay. In that your church, do you have a candle? How many candles do you do? How many catapults do you know in a church? How many catapults? How many tin of gravel? Or how many typical load of gravel does a church? Madonna ni moon ma otesi ekpote gravel atie na catapult. Madonna ni moon mese rubber. Ise the rubber. It doesn't no catapult ke bapo gravel on ya. How many of you know how to do it? Ige bu fire was na ke buru rifle we so gina zo. The by All these Hope Uzodinma, Webble governor is coming. Ebubago is there. Buhari is one of the worst things that happened to black race. I'm telling you. Now you can also Google it up you check on Google how Buhari or British how they funded the Ebubago to create insecurity in Southeast. It's on Google. You can check it up. You just on your own quiet time research it and see. The same Buhari today, one of his brother is now confessing on how they call for a meeting because of OPC trying to restructure the Kwara State Fulani presence there. That triggered them. That happened in 1999. They carried it all along to form Bugu. Now they have formed not only Bugu, with the same under Buhari, they using ECOWAS to open border for every country. All the countries that belong to ECOWAS now have free movement to enter country and go for free and all that. That was designed to bring Fulani from Sahel to flood Nigeria. Today they are here. And the Fulani in Nigeria couldn't hide it. They told you publicly that those ones are foreigners. The foreigners are the ones doing what they're doing. Okay? Foreigners. They are the ones doing what they're doing. That is a general problem. It's a general problem. Then who brought them in? Who is their relatives are who? Then imagine if Igbo people, Igbo tribe in another country, I think we have Igbo tribe. What is the name of this African country that will have Igbo tribe? I forgot that name of the country. There was one African country that they said Igbo tribe are there. They found Igbo tribe there. Imagine if Igbo are the one opening just doing the same thing. You think Fulani will just be like, let us move this country forward. I'm telling you, election will not hold. No. Only one attempt of OPC in Kwara State. You see their reaction. Because of that, they formed Bugu to counter that instantly. And they use that to commit other things. Gumi told you publicly that there's ethnic war going on. Ethnic war going on. They asked him between who and who. He said between Fulani and others. They said which others? He said others that are not Fulani. He admitted there's ethnic war. The same man is not telling you that no, this is just a problem between everybody. There is no Christian genocide. So is war between who? You said between Fulani and non-Fulani. He said it on national TV, and today nobody is using that statement that, to remind him what he's saying now. He said that why the killing of Christians are not genocide because Muslims are also dying on the process. The question is then let's stop talking about people that are buying for one. Let's just talk about those that are buying people. Who are they? Are they also Christian? Are they also Christian? These are something that if you begin to think about it, very, very well, you understand that this game is not good though. And the danger ahead is scary. Very, very, very scary. One of the reasons why they are against, Biafrans, even when you talk about Biafrans, Igbo, they're always prepared and get ready to fight, to discourage other people, because they understand what they're doing. They know it very, very well. Anyway, let me bring to you, a post from this our brother, Honorable Christopher Okenwa. Okenwa is a gentleman, and I love the way he normally, presents some of the critical statements. Like he will ask some important question. You just throw it out there, and if you know the answer, you can answer. But if not, you allow your brain to work then. Now, he said this. Where's my camera? Okay. Let me go back. Let me just bring it out so you can see. Let's go back to our normal base now. This is from Christopher Okenwa, right? Let me zoom it a little bit, so you can Okay. Christopher Okema said, where is Ellen? Elena. That is this woman, I believe. This is Finnish foreign minister, like diplomat. I think ambassador, yeah. This woman. Now, he asked, where is she and where are the others? How do they feel about everything that is happening? Will they pretend that they knew nothing about this? That's why I said, you see this man called this man Okadeka Okpana Chijibide. He's in the Finland. This is their president. That man is so evil. I'm telling you. PM took his time. Now fire, now nail. Just he updated these people. Like, wow. He gave them all the information they needed. Yet they chose to pretend that nothing has happened. Makagene oil. And this oil is not, I mean, when you begin to think of how Fulani become Nigeria and where they are today, if you don't feel uncomfortable with it, then I don't know. That means something is very, very wrong about you. How did they even become Nigeria in the first place? Have you asked yourself that? Have you asked yourself? It's not as if they came and maintained peace, but they keep on pushing, creating problems from here and there. And now, from conquering Hausa, few of them in Nigeria, though, they used to say that they are very, very small in population. But now, it is very clear to them that they need to, buy a lot of people for what? And this goes back to Buhari. When Buhari was putting all this kind of law, command, and all that, Yorubas they were busy clapping because Tinubu is in the pipeline waiting to take over. And Oyenka Halute was thinking that now he will continue from where Buhari stopped. And to make it look like, because they regretted Jonathan emerge as Jonathan become president of Nigeria because of the death of Yar'Adua, right? They don't want that kind of thing to happen again. So, judging by Tinubu's health and his condition, they decided to put another potential president, which is Shetima, a well-known, another suspected, another highly connected with I don't want to use the word. I'm trying to use any word to avoid, mentioning what I believe that you yourself know already. The man was, allegedly somehow connected to formation of Buku, and during his time as a governor of Borno State, right? And we started seeing him with eating food with a bandit, with a Buku, before they nicknamed it to bandit now. Then, today the man is vice president. There are something happening. There's something that is happening in Nigeria as an entity that it's supposed to reset your brain. Like seeing those things, you already know that things are not normal. Things are not normal, and the more you are pretending, the more they're advancing. The more you're pretending, that the more they're advancing. Today, let us be honest. God forbid, if anything happened now in Igbo land, let's assume that Fulani went to a church, a market, openly and do what they're doing now in Yoruba land. My question to you is, who do you think you should run to? Like, who is the person that will now stand up and challenge or do something? Because it just shows that, are you going to tell me that the government, remember, as we speak now, the president of Nigeria is a Yoruba man. Now, they abducted school children. They abducted people in the church yesterday, and they're buying people at will. And all this thing is happening under Buhari, under Tinubu as a president. The one in Kwara State should be an eye-opener. And he has not done it. He couldn't do anything. because he's not the one in charge. Even if he's in charge, maybe he's part and parcel of it because too. And that's about 8 years. The level of stupidity in minds of non-Fulani people in Nigeria, including Igbos included, is that no matter what is happening to another person, they always want to pretend that it doesn't really matter, as long as they are going to get what they want. In the minds of Tinubu and other politicians now, it's 2027. Even if the North Central is being taken over by bandits, not Fulani now, not Fulani as normal Fulani. I'm talking about Fulani bandit and Ndobuni. If they occupy, let's say, how many states is it not? Let's say 20 states, for example. I can't just mention how many states in Northern. I think it's 19 or thereabouts. I can't remember. But let's assume that it's not 10 states are 20. If they occupy 15, the current APC now, they don't mind as long as 2027 is guaranteed that they need to continue, because from day one they know that the country is not. There's nothing to be proud of, and that's why whatever that's going on now is just like it's a normal thing to them. It doesn't matter. Let it just happen. So this our brother Okenwa asked this question: How are they feeling now? The Finnish people can sleep peacefully. Okay. Does Ellen, that's a woman, realize that those hands are stained with blood? Does she realize that those hands are stained with blood? That could be maybe her hands. The Finnish people can sleep peacefully at night, while their so-called partner in Nigeria continue to enabling massacre of innocent people. As long as the agreement about the oil and everything, that agreement is still intact. That is what the kind of the world we are living now. No shame, no, and I don't think there's any Muslim country that we ignore Muslim communities. The persecution they're going through just to strike deal for themselves. I don't think there's any Muslim country that will do that. I doubt. They rather spend their own, starve their people and fund the other group to stand firm and push back. But Christians are not like that. As long as you cannot do anything for yourself, forget about it. You will remain like that forever. That is what is going on, which is very, very shocking. Very, very, very shocking. And you can see the pictures here. Look at this picture. See I think this is the woman also. You remember the one of UK before? Is it Catalina or what's the name of that woman? Is it Catherine? Is it Katrina? I can't remember her name. One of the British foreign minister in Nigeria before. Very, very wicked and very brutal. Something Katrina. I can't. What is the name of that woman? Former British, one of British diplomat that is behaving like this Finland. This Ellen. Christopher said again, absolutely, the world, especially Europe, has already been warned by the Prime Minister of Biafra, of the United States of Biafra. He also warned Finland, yet the Finnish authorities chose to side with the Nigerian genocidal regime and unjustly detain him after shambolic trial. We now await Finland's effort to redeem its image by releasing him without delay. A European democracy must not be seen as aiding and abetting the genocide of Christians. They're not hiding it. You see, this is why I love reading Honorable Christopher Okenwa's message. I love reading it because He understands the game very, very, very well. He knew what these people are made of. He understands that no matter what you do now, the agenda is to keep on pushing, and deceiving people that everything is just like, okay. He said, Carolina Liam. Is that the name? Someone said Kathleen. Truth must be told. Which of them is correct? Is it this one or Carolina Liam? I don't know, but I know it's Cat something. I don't know her. I don't know her full name. That one, you know, all these European women are very, very brutal. I think they don't have some of them. I don't want to tag everybody, but most of them that have been deployed to Africa, have been sent to Africa, any African countries, they're always determined to commit crime. All of them. They're always, and I understand that Nigerian system is designed to corrupt good mind, because they say bad company corrupt good moral, right? Once you are aligned with Nigerian politicians, you will never remain the same. Even if you bring Pope now, Pope Leo, to Nigeria, 3 months Pope will change somehow. 3 months. I'm not gonna Pope my big father and niggas now. Ibaka Shapali. So all the very common, very, very, very common. And I don't know what is it, what exactly is in Nigeria, that no matter how good you are as a foreign minister, maybe you have served maybe in Ukraine, in Russia, in Belgium, once they send you to Nigeria in particular, maybe other country, other African country, I don't know, but the one in Nigeria. Remember the former US Secretary, what is the name of this man from Democrats? He's the one that was pushing to remove Nigeria from this country of particular concern. A man, no. So sometimes I don't blame these people when they misbehave, but the president of Finland, who is not in Nigeria, should not just allow the pollution that her minister, have contacted from Nigeria to influence him, because he's in a better position to think normal. I understand that any of them, look at the Chinese foreign minister, warning Trump not to come to. That is how, because I don't know if there's any food they're giving to them there. Anthony Blake, thank you so much. Armstrong, I was about asking after you, because we've been around a very long time. Where have you been? Anthony Blink, or what Blink, yeah. He's the one. Someone that some of us see as a nice man, gentleman, and all that. Not the current one. I mean the former one. When Manzogano was here. There's one lady, British foreign minister, British commissioner. A lady. That's the one I'm talking about. I think the one that is saying maybe the current one. No, I'm not talking about the current one. The woman was so bad, and likely so. Let me go to COS. There's a post that she made that I want to bring before we end this live broadcast. Because, like I said, I just want to share this with us for you to know that USB government are not sleeping. All right, they're not sleeping. And for why don't you give credit to Ginkere? I challenge you to just let me know so you can come here and tell us. I'm not gonna attack you, although I don't think you are still watching, although you cannot be watching now. By now. Let me go to CS handle. Just a moment. Let me. I don't want to. There's some videos that I don't want to show here, so that's why I have to go to a handle to bring it up. Because if I do it normally, then maybe you will see some, because of the platform share. $11 minutes ago. Okay, I think COS have extracted this message and she made a post. Is how Biafran government. Okay, Daily Trust. You know, I reported this from Guardian. Daily Trust also have it as a breaking news, and COS shared that one. So for that, those ones are claiming nonsense. You need to know your boundary. You have to know your boundary because. Okay, let me share it. Now, what is going on? Mazakai TV, good evening from me, Emeka Toki KJ. Emeka Toki, I greet you. Please, if you have not liked the video, please do like the video. This is 1 hour, and our plan is to spend just 1 hour, but for the sake of this, I have to add it a little just for some minutes. I have to add this. The information is okay. I think I was sharing it from a wrong window. Please make sure you like the video. If you have not liked the video, please do like the video. Very, very important. Hit the like button. Please like the video. Catalina. Okay. Equatorial Guinea. That is where we have Igbo tribe. Thank you. I'm just, I was on another window. Now I see the comment down. Equatorial Guinea. But let me display the. I think I can display it now. Oh no. If I do it, it's gonna block something. But now just. All right. So the same news, the same everything is here, and according to COS, another person have been kidnapped in Anambra. Paya, everyone. The Paya. Is it Paya? No, I'm talking about the country that has where they said that the Igbo community there, people that speak Igbo tribe. Equatorial Guinea is Equatorial Guinea. This Paya is in what country though? I don't even know where this Paya. I hear that a lot. Paya, where's Paya? Okay. The same news, everything, but let's see how how the Daily Trust report it. Let's see how they put their own. If it's the same thing with that of the Guardian. She just made it 15 minutes ago. Breaking for those claiming that they are influenced Trump position on the genocide going on in Nigeria and Biafran territory. Please read and note that I, Dr. Nkosazana and the United States of Biafra cabinet and the Biafran people, coupled with the thousands of indigenous Nigerians and Christians whose loved ones are massacred daily, we continue to use everything within our power to ensure that the ensure that the clean enclave called Nigeria is destroyed. The clean enclave called Nigeria is destroyed. This destruction is the only thing that will save humanity in that part of the world, because Nigerian government integrates non-terrorists into the country and hire them into the military and police and security, which is the reason why they're ambushing them like never before, even today. Imagine It's very sad and funny at the same time. Imagine a situation where Ndoboniwe kidnap school children. They kidnap school children successfully, and now military now gather themselves and planned to go and rescue those children on their way. Then they led ambush against them. What does that tell you? There's no way Nigerian military will be able to solve this because of that thing that Buhari did, the integrating terrorists in army. In fact, that's the worst thing. And the man that did this happened to be claimed to be a general in army, meaning that he should have known better. And some other people in Nigeria that are aware of this kind of thing, they kept quiet, and it keep on happening on a daily basis, reintegrating the Oboniwe to army. The general that they kidnapped is also, this is one of the reasons. Intel wants to plan on how to carry out, mission against this Oboniwe. They will have the intel before you even embark on that journey, because you are planning with their colleague. Now it says, thanks President Trump and United States of America legislators and other world leaders for listening to me and taking action to make the world a better place. The United States of Biafra, USB, is a sovereign nation that was declared on November 29, 2024 in Latifiland. 50 million Biafrans voted through a self-referendum for exit Nigeria. We will protect our new nation. So if you click here, all right, you will see something. So this is from Daily Trust. From Daily Trust. I don't know. I don't think we have time to start going through it again. So if you come here, this is it. The headline says, newly obtained United States Department of Justice document have revealed how pro-Biafran group influenced U.S. policymakers to take a hard stance on Nigeria. The same thing I told you that we have gone through is being reported again. So no, it's not. I'm not the one. I do not frame anything up. It is here. You can go and read it. The same thing is here. The document. Look at COS name is mentioned here. Other signatory includes. I know this is very tiny for you to see. I can assure you. I know. Let me see if I will zoom this part, because this is the part that I shown this Oginkere guy, and he started running helter skelter. Let me zoom it again so you see it. This website is like that, always blocking everything. Let me see if I will highlight it again so you see. Nobody is just. I'm not framing anything up. This is authentic document obtained from United States of Biafra, United States of America's Justice Department. So, okay, here is it. If look at it here, let me. Okay, now other signatories include Dr. Ngozi Arabeze and Diana Eme, both U.S. citizens occupying key leadership position. The document shows the group operates more to build legitimacy abroad than within Nigeria itself. Do you understand it now? And somebody is telling me I should give Oginkere. Am I the one that put this right up? You should give COS now, the USB government and COS now respect. It should be the other way around. Carolina, I think this is the correct spelling. I think this is because I think this is the correct one. Okay, thank you so much for that. I think it's called Carolina, the lady we were talking about. So don't allow anybody to deceive you, because the way the guy put it shows you can see the anger. Kai report the repent. So I should repent. And my own is to report it. Just tell your ATM to do good. We will report it and praise him. We will go there as a first. The document traces the campaign of okay. So this is it, my people. This is it. From this one is from Daily Trust. This is just as fresh as today's bread. That's why I have to jump out and present it so that you will see it on time. All right, so you see it on time. Everything is here. You can see it. You can address. Not there. No, so back to now. Let's go to this attack, because this one is 5 hours ago from COS, as you can see on your screen. I'm trying to zoom it again. Breaking: forceful removal of innocent Biafran by Tinubu, Soludo, Wade, Shabu, Christopher Musa. I don't know. This should be the, I don't know. Is it the new defense chief? And the terrorist Nigerian politicians, army and police is a crime against humanity, must be stopped. He said that forceful removal of innocent Biafran by Ndani Nobola Faheba and army and police, is a crime against humanity, must be stopped. Forceful removal of Obinna at 3 Onisha by Tinubu Nigerian agent is criminal. Attached is Obinna brothers report on how Tinubu Soludo agent forcefully removed an innocent Biafran today, November 19th, 2025. Read picture test. He said, nothing must happen to Obinna taken away at 3. The United States of Biafra government will defend its people from the Nigerian terrorist state forcefully occupying our nation and attacking our peaceful Biafran people and territory. His name is Obinna. The area is called Tritri. Obinna Onwodo. Onwodo is his name. According to his brother, they saw some charms in his bars and said he is a kidnapper. Inokwa. He's a kidnapper because he saw some charms. I don't understand his problem, to be honest with you. So, my people, we have come to an end of this live broadcast. I decided to, flash this live stream to you. I don't know if there's anyone that want to make a comment. Let me send the link. All right, maybe 1 or 2 people. If you have any, let me know your reaction towards this thing. Let me know your reaction. I don't want to waste much time. If you have anything to say, please follow the link and come. Let's hear from you. Just a few minutes so we can go and rest. I'm gonna wait for maybe 4 to 5 minutes. If nobody joined, then we call it a day. Because this news, so maybe some people may want to have something to say. So
360 online sell.
Get there.
So we are waiting to. If you have any reaction, or maybe based on what you discussed, let's hear from you.
Mana before anyị ndụmọdụ a na anyị ga-ajụ ajụjụ agwa ịma n'obodo awogo obodo ụmụ anụmanụ obodo ụmụ anụ ọbịa ya mere onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ agwọ onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ so that oyibo ụbọchị ọbụla ị chọrọ ego ọ bụrụ na ifuru ego ego izi egwu na banki o ka ọ pụtalụ ya ego oyibo kpọrọ ya snake ATM n'ọdịkwa egwu egede ọ dị egwu ọgwụ ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego ọgwụ ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego agwọ nọgidere ego na 36 million ọ dị n'akwụkwọ ife adịkwa m egwu egede ma ị mara azụ agwọ jee mụọ ka esi azụ mọnke na-ebu ego ebu egede nọ ma ị mara azụ mọnke jee jụọ ndị 911 fa ga-akọwalụ ya ọfụma biko na o nwere ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ ajụjụ adịkwa mkpa egede eje m n'ọsọ ọsọ banana
anyway, but I'm all right, man. I really have a big question to ask Biafra.
Okay.
Hold on.
Take your time.
Let's imagine tomorrow, if they sentence Nnamdi Kanu, what will happen? I have been trying to ask this question. If they tomorrow, because you know that tomorrow is the judgment, and with the appeal, he appealed to stop the judgment, and up until now, and nobody have heard from anybody, and tomorrow is the judgment. If they sentence Nnamdi tomorrow, what will happen? That is the question. I don't know, because it seems like everybody is under a spell.
I don't think it's been under a spell. Ima, to me, Nigeria is pregnant. I've said this before. Nigeria
Until
is
when?
pregnant.
9 months. 9 months.
Nigeria is wait now. Nigeria is pregnant, meaning that anything is possible. Anything is possible, and the good news is that no matter how you may look, no matter how the thing appear, like even if you want to salvage it, you will still end up experiencing that thing that some of us are afraid of. Something must happen for something to come. You understand? And the issue of sentencing Nnamdi Kanu, they may sentence him, they may not. You never can tell. But if they do, I believe something will surface. That's my own. I believe
Mr. Kai. Mr. Kai, when you see somebody so desperate as Nigerian country, something is behind. There's something that is going on that you don't know. For them, it's a simple case. It's a simple thing. You can see that. America want to come in and help, and instead of the government accepting it, it seems like it's a fight between government and the American government. China will be there threatening. I know that it's not right for any other country to invade another sovereignty. I get it. But the issue at hand is not fight between the government. Why is everybody denying whatever? After I watched your video of Piers Morgan, because you played a little bit of that, I watched it this morning.
Yeah.
I went, because I'm subscribed to the guy, so I went and I watched the real video, and I can understand. I just see a replica of the government of Nigeria in the foreign minister. Why are people denying that people are doing? Until the new video surfaced again, people in the church worshiping, and the next thing, if you know where this video has gone to, there's one platform called 2C channel. I don't know if you know, the guy is in UK, but he's 2C TV. He used to, because I was following the Israeli and Iran stuff. So the guy is from Iran as well, but he resides in UK. So, and the guy has up to more than 1 million followers. Can you imagine? And that is where they are playing the same video today of the church one.
Mm.
Can you imagine being in that church and this thing is happening, and
It can happen
you
to
are
anybody.
there, and your
It can
sister
happen.
malum nwanne gị nwaanyị malụ nwa gị na ya eje ụka, and ihe a awewakpo unu n'ime church. Ịmana ha eji anya afọ ụmụ nwaanyị.
Yeah.
I'm just like kind of, because the forces in Nigeria and anyway, so many people that is gaining a lot in the Nigerian government.
Honestly,
A lot.
I am not interested about forces in Nigeria. What I'm interested in how we can now, pull out from
That's
this.
what I'm saying.
Goal.
Anything that will happen. Yes, continue.
That is why I said that Nigeria is pregnant. That anything like it can deliver anytime. Like it's not as easy as we may think, but this thing has gotten to a stage whereby anything is possible. It may be a passerby that may just okay. You know what I mean by that? Anything is possible. And if somebody but like in 2021, if somebody tell you that it will get there will be a day, or if there will be a time Bugaram and this one will be exchanging firepower, you may not believe it, right? But it has happened, and it will continue to happen. So the only thing there is that anything is possible. If issue of Masaman, there's something he said. He told Nigerian court last time that he think that Britain will take it to Jamie and Jamie. You remember?
Yeah.
This will tell you that it's not about even Nigerian government here. For Masakan to say that thing, because I believe he's source. I believe him very, 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 very well. So for him to say something like that,
Isemuko tomorrow, as in the way to go. Especially because I know that this revolution, if it's going to happen, and whatever that happens tomorrow, it must
revolution.
Yeah, if it's going to happen, just listen. It must start from the east. I'm talking about tomorrow's judgment. The reason why Nnamdi Kanu made appeal of this thing is for the guy not to pronounce judgment. Once a judge pronounced, it has been pronounced. I don't know the game they are playing. I don't know if you understand why. Because the judiciary of Nigeria has been held captive, that a judge can come and call a black white and nothing will happen. They kill as they like without asking questions. And when you talk, you're in trouble. So they really want, for the fact that Nnamdi Kanu is the only person that actually saw them coming, because whatever is going on today now has been predicted by Nnamdi Kanu 10 years ago.
Yeah.
So and now people have started to see it now that it's playing out. Yoruba people now things is going down, and before you know it, can I have this guy in the video? Kenka Habul. Okay, spoke about phase 1 and phase 2. Malam, I just go after the guy.
Okay, that former army officer.
I'm an army officer. When I have the video, he bought the guy.
Oh man,
the guy. Anybody that actually know what they are planning to do, they will kill the person. And that's why Haji Fulun Tututa that Nnamdi Kanu can never survive this thing. And
if Haji man Lafia about that man Lafia about all minority from minority tribe.
Yeah, but he said what they are.
Only Igbo and minority tribe are the one that don't have. If you say anything, they will eliminate the person.
Why the majority is not saying? Majority, if you say, why are they not saying? Why let them say? Nobody is talking there because everybody is so comfortable. Even now, see that now, we all have to be ready. if this thing is going to work out tomorrow, the moment they decide to do what they want to do tomorrow, we want all the government houses in the southeast to go down in flames. Like I'm telling you, like Governor need Abuja. Yeah, that's in the city.
That no, my brother. If you got one now,
man on there, Jinan Kano. Nah, in Ibago, Imihana solitary confinement. You know, okay, my torture, it happens in your brain. And the case of Nnamdi Kanu, it annoys me that a whole people spend so many years in school. Now go law. And the more I law at all, it seems like I'm correcting some certain things professionals supposed to do. And enough, I hate it when you stand on my face and you spit on my face. That is what they are telling us, me and you.
That is the reason why I said before, because I wanted to tell you something. Now, most of these things in Ghana, before we move the field, we look now. I give much awareness. Like when they put the benefit, even amen onto the middle tefa.
Mr. Kai, I will go petrol now. In saying that petrol, I will see go petrol everywhere. And I'm using metaphorical. I will. He need is the way only about the matches, but the matches everywhere. All I'm just saying is that now, this time around. Yeah.
Both problem monage. What happened? This setback again. By the time had you reported, na miloko na ebumbe. You know what that? I fact go na miloko na ebumbe first before you suggest we say do yembe na miloko. Man, if a game maybe for one na ge kwete go na miloko na ebumbe first before you kuzo back does any miloko ka kwete na olifa na ekumagia. Imam Bulumbe ga do na miloko ebe bụ na ụmụ anụ na ge kwete be na miloko na ebumbe. I want what I go come na aga. Mother Chibueze, I'm coming to you. You're welcome.
Yeah, I get it. But I'm like, I don't know whether it's the right decision or not, but I think it's actually time that some people has to be held responsible for whatever that's going on. Because it's not really
if good man holding responsible, if it's everything involves to what I just said, everything is centered on that. It cannot be all you believe all you believe in the bike and na ESN, if in the ESN, but the problem when I Southeast. You got the point.
Yeah.
All you believe.
Yeah. That's what you believe. Without that thing, I work with that ESN now, it could have been worse than that now. But anyway, let's just hope for the better tomorrow. We'll see what happens as we go. Thank you very much, guys.
Thank you so much. You're welcome.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone listening and those who are in the studio. I just want to say, my brother, you are doing a great job. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I heard what our brother is asking. You know, people who always underrate us, thinking, oh yeah, Igbos cannot do anything. They're not unified.
Okay, now Igbo. Switch it. Woli boga. What's wrong with you?
Everybody wants that. They want to even know to associate by the people. My brother. Right, when the book I just did all them but a man on my hajana Otiprio Lane Jola. I said Otiprio Lane Jola in the matter. La and then go and say Apala one crack a lot of more than tomorrow round. Afukwa he adumana konka ndị a na-emekwa nka na-emeka politics na-eme ya. Ịhụ kesi Nnamdi a onye ndu Abu case and the very all the animal one even this nine put a way put a land on them. How one I got away here, him. I only the politicians about own days out. Ojo nane handa to Makanam the China for hanging on. Type him, got ho haga waggy. No, oh, here one out of Hojo. So, hand and member delay that is only Tahara happy because of that.
I'll put what I need for John. I'll say, like, in case you feel the time, you go. Like, the other come catechism no go much good mug.
Yeah.
I get go on if the time, but in case someone if I make if he get me, what would happen? That's about culture.
Oh, yeah, come to I think why not at that.
Okay.
Him that one and I hate game in the war. Echekwala landi Igbo and adding no to move my hair maybe. That one I want to say. How mayor. Ogi DK, but I won't have game million because in my hand when case okay, he game no. Ubu ka he ga hukwan like we soon gain you shilishi. Na gwa nyambo nyege ho. Lamde gwa say obro makia tekeful. That's our second obu ayake kubu abo. The one that maka okwu am kwuru gị na. Mmadụ nwere ike sị ọ gaghị emeli but ọ ga-ebido obere ọ ga-ebido nsogbu akụghachikata ọgwa ebe big city exam ebe a ga-ime ha ahụ. I'm telling you, a ga-ekụghachikwa hụ even ndị ugwu ga-ede ya ndị ugwu ga-etinye aka ebido ịkụghachi ihe then ọ ga-echange ya first gear, second gear, the third gear ga-ebu full blown. Mark my word today. I got we may, but if they do it, I will may get banana. I am lala. I'll give you shimado, I will not give you shimado, but to get my ola at the end. I'm going to can't get but the final stroke. There was my brother. I am saying, but I'm going to say, oh, yola. You share aqua ike. Wherever to it, yeah. All room in one room, no. Biko ugbu awo he awo ka na slobo say last rock. Biko send ala wego ma de hodo won zuru ke mburi e nwere wiki irito days and weeks because Adam started watch out the one anya unu ge ihe ngi men after echi obru ihe ndi otu eme ge hula ọwụ oke gba ọsọ ngwere gba ọsọ ahịa ga-eme ndewo
o wee ife ma like igosiri before ị pụọ otu onye na-ekwu na otu onye n'ime ndị na-ekwu na ana mmadụ si ka ya ụdọ n'ọnụ na a ga-akụgbu ya bụkwa onye klem na ya bụkwa onye Igbo o mere vidio tata wee na akaụntụ time na akaụntụ hours o mekwe prediction ị na-aghọta otu ife ga-esi otu o si chọọ ka ọ dị na ife ofe na oge na ife ga-eme na all that so mma like ka ị gba ya bụ onye tepu na ya n'ilu akwụkwọ gị na ya na screen ị ga-afụ onye a kịta onye na-afụ na mbụ otu onye na ndị na-ekwu dat na anyị ga-eme ya nke a mee ya nke ọzọ ana m achọ ka m mụpụta nne ya ọfụma mana ama m ị na-afụ ya kịta
one of our media ba
God forbid.
Oh yeah, okay. I'm my time here to man them all. Oh, okay. It's a more killing that TV.
Hi, can I do that? You know, boy, police guy got boy now. Mba, Chineke ekwere ifere Chineke.
Okay.
Udele ọjọọ. Ya bụ ya. Ka ngwụpụta gị ife okwu because ịma na ife a Facebook ana m eme ka m zoom ya mana edem m na-ezoom ya ka ọ na-emisbehave go for bid my dear ikene na nke ya bụ ọkụ udene mmiri mara ụbọkwa na ezigbote udene sef one is Arsenal ebe a because now 1 more day to go o deliver okay nke a bụ 11 hours ago go mere ya Nnamdi Kanu is heading to Katsina prison. From there to Abyss via a red cab, via a red rope. Okay, via a red rope. Why Katsina? So he will be close to the Buhari's head. He's been looking for. Ali Igbo must be free. Now, boy, there.
Okay.
So many videos. If I name menu, or they could do what if for the on a terrorist attack a church in Kwara State, every single policeman in Kwara State should be withdrawn to their unit, and the federal government should put a moratorium. What is it? Moratorium. I don't understand on police serving as VP escorts in those states with security challenges and roadblocks have to be returned. This attack now increasingly look like a coordinated strategy of chaos, especially in Kwara State. Who is the CP, please? Emma, these people that they keep on nan mayon if fanamaro. In our so if you na sound like a voice of modern society. Ndị ogbunigwe nọ na bai kịta atụ nọ na bai anọkwa na bai ndị ogbunigwe nọ na Nigeria ka kwuru gị na Nigeria first too much that now even government itself do confuse. Government no for good confused. So in as much as now nature ka buy the normal which you open chokwa no open no a very peaceful environment and all that, but how can they make very big mistake like if by nature that now government will wake up one morning we go and come because all police I want to mount roadblock na Kwara State gate what
Mumunde, yes, was in she had a hammer, as in she the yamma. Or gara is to the Puya on and no, they put now, okay, no, they put namde. Nan nam the neighbor hapochia now. Oh, yeah, one name, make what handy a name. How many people came to Jos yesterday? Or what day before yesterday, I got 25 students. All 25 came to how I'm quitting. How many people able to
that? Those students able to get an icon and I'm like I had a school here today. Tatas.
The Brigadier General got a high boy.
Another operation.
Okay.
On a men everywhere. Now everywhere they hot. Now ebe na-ekwu na ebe nke ị na-ekwu dị iche na nke eme school girls na Kwara State.
Okay.
Kebbi State.
Yeah, they didn't name even some places on name 2 places at a day.
Just 1 hour ago, I think 1 or 2 hours ago, Kasara reporter published a video. They are making the school, those people lay ambush with Bahatoto.
I see.
You know that because now fana in fana kwa de gano ndo to fa bokwa ndi umu ne fana ni mafia
Sidiana
na unu no dem na route ha sabra na ko sabra in akwendo go ni fe mi fe mele ju egbo de army general And can be generally because again, also good even here born on way communicate and the army.
Eh,
Nekwe ebe ya nọ nekwe location ebe a na-asị oke na ga ana gwa fa na ga we na ga ese dị kọpụta ga bịa ya.
ndị abịazi ebe a ebe akpụrụ ya.
The question bụ ka ị ka na-asụ masị na ebe a ka ọ nọ.
Exactly.
Ọ ebe ọ na ọtịfiga na ndị ọ na-agwa na ebe ya nọ ka bịa buru ya bụ ndị kpọsị ndị na-achụ ya nekwe na ebe ọ nọ na-ekosuwe nọ ya ha agazi ha gawụrụ ya.
Maka onye Igbo.
Akwa ana m asọmnikwu na ọbụla Igbo sọmnikwu na ndị Igbo.
Onye aha ya ogene?
Mohammed Ụba.
Ụba.
Yeah, Ụba.
Ụba onye ebe?
Ọ ya ka ama m na Igbo na-emana ka ịkwanụ nke Mohammed.
Yeah, all the stupid ndị iberibe njọ no Muslim na. Ndị Enugu ndị Imo steeti ha anaghị ajọ the Muslim so that a ga-enye ha rank.
Ha ji sneaken.
Ihe menụrụ anyị nwale nwaanyị shipụta dị esi mba anyị agaghị susu na nonsense ahụ.
Ị nọbụkwana ya?
I served them there for how many years? Almost 15 years in Savaro, Nigeria.
Okay, fuga. Okay, fuga. And the ka afa nke Buhari pụtara na-eme ya na ide integrate ndị biko na-ajụ ka ịmakwa ife bụ na mmadụ na ya bụ repented. Ife ga-eme before repented na ka ife
you know, if not politics. You have to ask, what are the criteria before you can be listed? That's what you need to ask them. What are the background check they do before you be listed? If you have a criminal record, you can never be listed. Criminal record, not even active one. Exactly, because of all these things, there is no way it gets a convicted felony. Give away a gaga with an army or police. Even the police say, if civilian army, all the very, very sensitive. How will you do such thing?
That is why, okay, now me puseke ta na fana gebe dota. Ile ambush go no chicken. I'm surprised.
Because these are criminals. They are criminals. That is why they do that background check before you can be enlisted. Know that there is no trace of criminality in that person's life. So how in the world will you now turn it upside down, telling them say that ex-convicts has to be changed and you put them back?
As if it was you to Nigeria got banana.
You know, this is political move about what they do so that they can use them as the militants that will be able to fight for their cause. And that's what they're doing. Our politics. Who Gumi and they got that negotiate with them. How is Gumi going to negotiate with them? Gumi is going to give them the money they can be able to survive. Buy weapon.
Yeah.
That is what our people don't understand. The whole money that Gumi is going there to negotiate with them, collect from the government, go give to these people so that they can be able to strive and function.
Continue.
Yeah, that is the money. Look at the money at the video. The money at the way not from kidnapping. I will hear you that sponsor the weapon otherwise. They cannot touch on
like na they from like in the like go and report. Not this report like that. Case if na hand them by a report ebe ha na ga awuka or no maybe na happen na or something like that.
Well, look at there are things involved in this is that poverty is another big factor. And again, if you can be able to promise our people to come out and you take care of them, how are you going to take care of them? Are you going to be able to work on our already built-in corruption that we have? That's what is disturbing our gallant men out there. The other day I was in someone's live. And I'm say, okay. Ekwelam lehe and Gentle the other day. He was crying about onye mpora hanye ego to do something for them. I said, you are working for apado Biafran government. You were crony one day that not ego. Terola horror in a way. Chief for him, in another side hustle. So you are setting yourself up because it was Rema that I know again the Kongi this room lazy bottle. Oteshina Awa Nenaka. I would make him wiki DK name.
Yes.
When you Waponola Lepakam the Ochadi Wimpinger. So Agamiri Ndolom Giri. Hambo obligation can one nasa they like these people and give me tadu really that have win or the yakala hojo. Get that guy in that on ye go he can ban and get that on ye. Yeah, only that I go to men something. It can eat honey. You give me horse you may. I'll be a weapon so Monday.
It's true.
So many of them, gentle say for la him la haga for teshu. Ndios uncle. I will have Oshio there. Whereas alone at town who on not there in a town who but in an aswaka. They may be shaka. He may cause. And I guess say like him and the man. Badana. I will eat yakaba, get yakaba, guess oh, lion there on. My brother.
Mistake. If I'm the quick breaking news. Oh, angry crowd stone convoy of Niger State governor. Not be smart. I swear, Nigeria, that
yeah.
So he believed that no one will the court cases we guy if not the number tomorrow. Na ndị Igbo ga-eme ife ejika aka ọnụ mewe ife nọ na
I now aware on my brother. Guy will be my primary school that's the end of Solomon Burundi. I'm telling you, watch out. You would I look one car. The one here game in. And I wear mother.
Chineke men because now after I had a desperate email one or two things.
It can't lady yellow. Hindi Gito now. About my way boy, I go out my winya chepa. I him with
okay for news. I broadcast now on a trend badly now. Even Instablog Nigeria Bugoya now. Okay, nke kere abụla oge kere just focus onye so na akpọrọ mgbe wee titi na platform on the Daily Post obere na-akpagharị na-akọ ihe n'ọnụ kịta na the authentic news apụtana.
So now ndị a na-esokwa na ya le ha ga-ekwu
okwara ịma ife na-esokwa ya before.
No, I'm a na say okay we ban.
I got if before. I can have one again one in the if the atọrọtalụ jeva. If you get that ọ dị John le mogo fu ebe na gwa na oge ma repent.
Okay, yeah, repent na gịnị?
Oge ma repent na ife ọjọọ na m suppose ị na-eke n'oge nke
kekwana ihe oge nkere mere
onye ka na-ajụ n'eze gịnị
At least when you put something and gas like one here.
Mr. Kai. Mr.
Then I
Kai.
said, what am I missing? You are just joining us. I will tell you that, yes.
I already knew that Nigeria will definitely destroy itself from long time ago. You know why? You know how? One, now, if you are in about military, it's for the fact that Nigerian military way is being compromised because these guys, they took their time. They really took their time to infiltrate the system of Nigeria. Number one, the military and the government. When they are doing all these things was when Nnamdi Kanu was saying it, but nobody actually knew what was going on. What about Issa Pantami? Was he not in charge of our NIN? Is it not? Yeah, think about it. How can you people that are leading jihad into the system of a country where they actually know? You can imagine then that when you are being kidnapped, the terrorists have access to how much you have in your account. So even when you lie, they tell you that you're lying. They took their time. The revolution was able to happen in Nepal because once the military support the citizen, you will see that this government, how many are they? How many are they? Those are just small executives that are being selected to actually control the affairs of the country. And when they hijack it and the guns that of the country back them, the citizens can't do anything. Not anytime they come up, they have to shoot somebody down. And then for how they have caged, I think that now I'm not a soldier. I went to school. I schooled 1 year in the barracks, Nenugu, then.
Okay.
And I watch videos and I really like military stuff. Now, and I know that you've at least this is my own findings as well. You being a military man serving a country, you must really respect the flag of the nation you are serving. And at the same time, the national anthem. When I knew that Nigerian military is gone, was when they were able to shoot protesters at Lekki in Lagos. Okay, for during NSAS, that was when I knew that what they are doing there is gangsters, not military. A country where the forces of the country and the citizens are not in good terms. Ndi oshi nọrọ n'aka ebe, ndị police ma ndị amị nọrọ n'aka nni. A citizen will rather choose onye oshi than onye police ma onye amị. Or the normal. It's not normal. It's not normal. We can spend the chai made dreadlocks or Yurikamo, Onyami, Afumonilo, Nodomana, where it is also very cause him. This is so normal in Nigeria. Like, it can never, for the fact that these guys took time to infiltrate Nigeria and occurred or this and somebody like Gumi is moving around telling you people that these guys are this and that. Obio kota Arise TV, they will microphone, Tinye Gumi, no, on address the citizens. On address the citizens. And then me or people are now. My
brother. Otena mana the country fe na aka kemgbe.
Onye Igbo ọbụla ka nọ n'amị. Ọ bụrụ na ịmakwa some countries na advertise joining military, their military, like if advertisement, and a advertisement, yeah, or this so enticing, or the enough benefit, like you see ni choy ba me and ayo de ayoga ba na asim by native busi onwe people na ba inwe joy Manake Nigerian army is once you are there, and afuzagi as only the condemned, and don't hear me on haputa. Hana make and the condemned already. Israeli army, everybody known as Israel army, and that's why they make sure they use technology. How? Why do they use that? Because before Gaza, before soldiers are to set their foot on the Gaza soil, and we go technology now ahead of the soldiers, so that even if it's one person fall, Nigeria had any account of Hana just one soldier that, not to talk of citizens.
My bro, in a this general I will Hana hide no, but the man a general no, but also the internet the cook on there, but that he's giving terrorists 24 hours to surrender. Actually, the more shares.
That one. That one. All the so appalling. That they don't value the life of their.
In the jigging of course for years, again, I got an idiot to surrender. Oh, what? I had to make a straight go surrender. We're not going to give you my brother, can I go from Madam Ojuku is here with us. Let's hear from her. Yeah, welcome.
I was so happy, when you were reading out the newspaper. Then I have been expecting something like that for a long time. To put all this stupid stuff to rest. Something that will really expose this to go sit down. First of all, the record of his jail. He went to jail for driving under influence. Because I used the case to Google. I googled that case in Maryland, and I found it. He was jailed for a year and is it 8 or 10 days? Yes, for driving under influence, and that's 2008. Yes, it's there, Korokoro, and his name is solely complete. Isaiah, is it Robinson something? Anyok. Yeah, like complete name. Not there. Harrison, I think it's Harrison or something.
Harrison Ayog, yes.
Yes. Isaiah Harrison Anyok. Yes. That's how, if you use the case number, put it under court case, Maryland, it will just appear. Bosom. So I'm happy that came out, and I'm happy that this paper brought out this with the names. Because somebody is saying that for the glory. Only injury. And that the worst liar, Lai Mohammed of Sonia Barawa, is the worst human being ever. He's the one turning all these things around with those of their half white, half something that are working with them. So it's just that gladdened my heart. In fact, it made my day.
You are not alone, man. I did not plan to stream this time, but seeing that once I received that notification from the guidance, I was like, okay, let me share this happiness. And as we are broadcasting, other news outlets are bringing it, like now. What the one you are seeing now is Eastern Bloc. Then the COS have already shared a little bit about it from Daily Trust. Okay, that's something that you are asking what is going on. The issue of Ogenkere claiming that he's one that made it possible for Nigerian to be designated as a country of particular concern. that one, that story has been exposed, because even CS now.
Onwere umie n'oge nkere with the energy oji.
But but that's what they're presenting.
That's what they're
That's
presenting.
a lie. That's what
That's life from pit of hell.
Liar Mohammed is Sani Akbarawa from the pit of hell is lying, writing on social media, and that one is carrying a bag that he said we will put in a museum. After museum, you know, Jesus Christ.
See, let me tell you. Okay, for one day, okay, solo, okay, nkere na Sani Akbarawa. If he had, you know, you will now start seeing stories. In the stories.
He's good already, because right now I don't know which other source they're gonna find now. This one has really hit them. Now Nigeria knows who is fighting them and who is doing all this. The world know now. So I wonder where the Lai Mohammed is gonna come.
I don't know if you noticed the anger in their agent that came here when we were reading that thing. That was
yes. I heard two of you. You say, "Kai, can't you give glory or thanks to what Ogekere is doing?" I thought this is okay, so some people are looking at that guy and believing in what that guy. This is the surprise to me. The way that guy presents this, the way the guy carries himself, the way the guy speaks. So some people are actually following him. Oh my goodness me. Well, up and do the card anyway. You know, most of these people need to hustle to gap that na-agụrụ primary six, the remaining one or because kedu nke si na ọ na-ara nne ya ka ọ gụrụ primary six.
Madam Oji,
certificate.
You know who somebody is. They always follow their kind. If you see people encouraging Adadi Orama, they think alike. If you see people seeing what Ogenkere is doing, Anthony Akbarawa, and yet they choose to on their camera and sit there, they are the same kind of people. The reason why you are in USB or we are in USB is because we think alike. We understand what we want. It can never work with you and these people because you cannot agree. Not that they don't know the truth, but they choose to be who they are. All is so strange when you look at Adado Rama with her character, and yet somebody will sit there and be supporting her. All is so strange. So you can see that is the way they are being designed.
Adado Rama from that moment that in a public hall, community hall, that day ebe a kọtụ n'ọgba ya maka onye wepụ mmadụ tara na public place ụlọkwa ụdụ ka onye zuru ohi akpọ ya pụọ n'ụmụahịa na-akpụgharị ya otu na-apịa ya ụtarị n'ime the hall ya asị ebe a gbapụ and then ha kụzi ya
also only one day. Oh, you need the whole way
this type of people what they do. Hey, I mean, in a movie, I'm not know that real. I'm that is real. Telling you.
This night. Emma, this news na Ghana, serious Oceania, and Foku in our you will not see that kind of thing. That I'm trying to bring it back. You will never see that kind of thing from Ogenkere. Now, may this write up here. Open to this write up where Kuchen no her own statement in our this part. I don't think I don't need to go through all these things now. Let me just dig that part. Able that now. Knowledge in other Nigerians, other people, you know, go through their support. If raise alarm, if any men with Yawa, but Ogenkere saying no so Yawa. No so Yawa, no so Yawa, if any everything we did there. Able do that thing. Also, Dr. Okay. Now let me start from the beginning. For those who claiming that they influenced Trump position on the genocide going on in Nigeria and Biafran territory, please read and note that I, Dr. Nkosara Beze, and the United States of Biafra cabinet and the Biafran people coupled with thousands of indigenous Nigerians and Christians whose loved ones are massacred daily, we continue to use everything within our power to ensure that the enclave called Nigeria is destroyed. Now, this line, this statement here, in our
you see, she's not claiming it herself.
Yeah, that is it. That's what I'm just want to understand. She's not just saying that. If you know the thing now, then I only go back and just we're going to have with Biafra. Some people are saying, you just hate the kid. I don't hate it. I'm not telling you the truth. If Otto has said, you don't need to lie. Look at what, just read this statement on your own. Read this statement on your own. She just mentioned everything. No, bro, you see it. No, you need to go get that. No, handshake. Yeah, we now go flower. Ka kuna chila wewe funa na mbaki hadi no very need. Sika hiye ka yanti. Na kweli. Na we have a Triple M in the house. Triple M, let's hear from you.
I'll be back. 1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Okay. Man, and then mother self. This news on kind. I would like to know.
Asị na onye amara na oge echi ọzọ mechaa chi ọzọ na ọ ya agbagide aka gbaruo n'ikpe. Ọ ihe Ogenkere na-eme because na enwere agitation because now for here na this ebe ọ nọ kịta Omazi how to kind of operate. Whatever that is going on in Nigeria, agitation is it's a separate thing to the killing that is going on in Nigeria. And anybody, whether you're a Biafran or you're a Nigerian, you have to complain. It's a collective word that we are pushing out. And now, all in America, much more clearer way. Because let me tell you one thing. For the fact that Nigerian government is fighting America not to get into this thing, and this medium, this platform, I said to go up as United States of Biafra government is the highest way America gets in way pesa hini na ati pesa na Nigeria. I'm telling you, before they will listen to us because number one, they know what China is doing in the north. They know the reason why so many of them doesn't want to leave Nigeria alone. They know why some foreign interest is very, very interested that Nigeria will still be like this because of private individual businesses. You understand now? So they all know all this. And these guys, they play diplomatic game at some point. In America, without you actually knowing. And you end up Indomie, America.
The good news about them, I know even American was Oyago of freedom. All of them. That's of freedom. Reason CS the other my own some things like now they put on what they fame and any because to her it is normal thing to do. Now that mana to hustle as they can say yo. So said na all gafe bus stop ebe na akwụsị aba n'ọfịs mmadụ ọgbọ kamera tiwe ebe no ọgbọ kamera na-eti ebe
that guy doesn't know what to do. He has no any mind of what the next step to take. Kelo politician no man na US. Kelo on ke party on na US. You have to answer your understanding. Google profile man. The highest person or ya bobo alias the other guy. That's the only people. You have to be in the game. You need in on a buying a system. Who to talk to, who to speak to. And all Hemeloja they are so strange that it's all about. That's why as
CS does know. Okay, does know. CS does know. Yeah, Camellia profile advertise.
Okay. Then if I only he show this one is in my reason why. No, but I can. The woman finish. I'm on
okay. Oh yeah, now okay.
This thing, these people, and how a country respect other countries. Well, like I said, you don't have right to get into anybody's sovereignty and do whatever you want. That's why what they do is like, for instance, this minister of foreign affairs will only be listening like whatever he says is what another country would take because it's coming from the government source. Do you feel me? Yeah. So that's why they give them this platform to say their mind.
Everyone, River Gospel is in the house.
So, even like this guy.
Yeah, can I come in?
I'll pay for a give Obi-Wan in a show. In a Facebook tofu. I come in a different way. Can Kene especially. Ekene mu na ekene ma aja na ekene ma aja na ekene m ihe na-emeri Igbo n'ihe Igbo na-emeri ihe ekene ma nkwọ ana kene nkwọ enu kene nkwọ njaba
boy ide chete mo ya bụ na ife na-eji
ọ bụrụkwa na eyi ekpe ọ bụkwa na ife iyi ekpe zira fụza gị ka ikpetafụrụ ekene m ife Igbo na-emeri Igbo n'ife Igbo na-emeri ife ekene m aja na nkwa aja enu ekene m aja orie ekene m mmiri enu na mmiri ana na mmiri njaba ekene m nkwọ ekene m orie. I come in a different way. Madam Ojugo, I greet you. Triple M, I greet you. Obi-Wan, ekelem. Then onye anyị bịara n'obi a Maazị Kai, ekelem. Ekelem ụmụnne m ndị nọ na comment. Yeah. I am not deterred 1 inch, and don't worry if you kasiri m obi nji wee bata. And since I knew that truth, and it's a spiritual truth, that when they were children of rebellion, they were created that way and they were born that way. They are children that this kind of people we are talking about. Abụrụ ha ọnụ site n'afọ nne ha wee bịa ụwa. O nwere omume ọ na-abụ mmadụ bịa ụwa. Ị bịa nne ụda agwa ị na-akpa. Iche echiche chemie ya ime. Mara ma agwa kwesịrị ekwesị. A ka nwere ike ịdụba ndị dị otu ahụ ya adụta ha. Ọ bụkwara ma this life nke a nọ ma o nwere ihe dị ka life after death, yes, reincarnation.
ọnọfụ ka ndị a na-egbu mmadụ kịta na-egbupụ mmadụ isi na-aṅụ ọbara mmadụ na-ata anụ mmadụ na-eme ihe a niile o mechaa ya abụmọnụ na-adịrị ha ka mmụọ na-abụ ha ọnụ ka mmadụ na-abụ ha ọnụ ka elu na-abụ ha ọnụ ka ana na-abụ ha ọnụ onye a nwee ike bichezi ụwa wee na ọ bịazie ụwa ọzọ ụdị ife omume ha ga na-eme you will know them by their fruit. Why I said this thing when my one of my brothers they are meant for this. And the inward people are what are spiritually. I want to bring it. The day I understood this, I am careful. You might be at the wrong place at the right time, or at the right time at the wrong place. And you are partaking of whatever that belongs there. I been at church, impartation, laying of hands. Impartation is like, I am imparting this on you. I am laying hands on you on this. I just want to digress a bit before I come into what I want to say, just a preamble. What are you imparting other people on? Who are you? What do you carry? What substance? Then I will look at a house that is filthy, that is dirty, a house that I know. Then I will now go and belong to that house. And the head of the house is laying hands on me, impacting Ihobu on me. I want our spiritual eyes to open. That of the word say, you shall know the truth, and the truth shall set you free. Whereby you know the truth and you remain in darkness, whatever the course that is going forth, you will carry. Mazekai, this man you brought here, I watched it yesterday. Ima no nwe ka Chukwu si eme ha ọ dị ka si no external affairs minister or gịnị manụ ka ọ bụ foreign affairs minister ka gbara afọ ọnụ. The zoo will always project what they are. They don't have what is called, he is not even coordinated. He showed his arrogance, an international world watching. Even he was insulting this lady, assaulting this lady. This lady, deny. Who deny? The same thing he denied. Ajoya, this figure ana wage. Bife bulu. O bagide okirikiri o bagide o say e man oboria.
So embarrassing.
So embarrassing. He just like, even the lady.
You got a comment section ever here.
Oh, make it the girl just no The
girl and the onyocha her way in a scale or na pota more and more. So when they are looking for evidence, when they are looking for things, is it not shown? They have seen it all there. Thank you. Abenife, our dear leader, Dr. Ngozi Orabeze tweeted this morning. It is all said because this man na-akpọ Okelekwu Ngwele si na ọ ya na-eje na Watense na-aga anwụ kọfị na-ekwe n'aka. Ndị ma ife ha na-eme, they don't go to Watense. You understand? Ndị ma ife fa na-eme, they sit down in their chair, take their pen and their paper, use their phone, and things are going on. Dr. Ngozi Orabeze will everything. Say, I am not taking this credit. It is not only me, but thank God, if Aunune Uchi has come out to the surface, it has come to limelight. Akane Uchi no one name now. Akade Uchi on. So, if this one oge nkerekwu sugide oyibo jụọ onye si na ya ma ha asụ oyibo mgbe aka nọ wee ma na nwoke esi na n'ihe ọzọ pụọ.
Okay, na River Goddess, with all this denial and with this Minister of Foreign Affairs, you need now on a deny, and the government of Nigeria denying, and the Sheikh Zeka, how will government of America or people feel when they watch the latest video? Nka ndị mmadụ na-aka ndị a wee wakpo ha Sheikh Ezenia na oral confirmation.
The problem is that our prophet, our Messiah, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has told them what they play out. I beat my chest. Even everybody that is on their toes, worried about tomorrow. Tomorrow has taken care of itself. Because Onyamuma has foreseen this, and Onyamuma has told us this, and Onyamuma has said, "Ega tupumunga." This thing I watched this morning, where symphony na Max Barrister Maxwell ajụjụ azumi na-echi niile ọpụkwa na ife adọrọ otu o kwesịrị ịdị ogini gen Maxwell okwu ahụ ọ drop is a bombshell ọsọ bụrụ ma ya nwa na o nwere ihe ya ga-eme mana ọ maghị uche ya onye ekwe akpa sunni. You understand? So that Omoto show us he start raising instances. Onye sigi na odele hante. Onye amume ekwugosi you cannot and you can never tuomonga. Okwefo asị na mma jelu na okwute nọ n'afụfụ ma okwute eji ama mma mokwu n'afụfụ. You understand? So that word alone goes to say that all this thing that is happening, everybody should be rest assured. Chineke agbawagolu anyị bụ ụmụ ya akaebe. And it is being foreseen and it's being foresaid. We have already escaped the edge of the sword. We have separated ourselves. The recognition, ọmụka nke a na-akpọ ọsịna bụ vagabond, pụtara mereje. The spirit of mereje was on him. And he came, the same thing, this infrastructure ministers of affairs, public, they disgrace so. That's the same thing Vaga came to do. And the more they do this, the more they announce us. Thank God. This morning, Marcelo Okocha was giving a news. Yesterday, there was a spreader gunshot where the Christians were gathering, where they were praying. And somebody who is a blogger, like some of these bloggers feel, yes, they are dining and whining with Southeast governors and whosoever that is paying you and your agent. God did a miracle. This blogger, brown envelope bloggers, no Adeola, then went on, yes, and on her handle, also no more if deka this, no more if deka genocide, now the Nigeria, Nifa anehu. Genocide. This thing that is being said about genocide, that there is nothing like it. There is nothing about it. Now, the same Adeola or whatever she is, rest in peace. That's what I saw on her. You understand? This God you see, people are in the church praying, and they say some people were shocked.
KB for RIP. Now Adeola the girl. Ongo.
Yes, the girl died.
What? On America, right?
Please, it's Marcelo Okocha. I think he just carried the news. I don't know. It's not up to 5 hours now.
Wait, Adeola cannot US.
No. Yeah. Adeola nka. Adeola, somebody, Adeyo. Adeola nke na America, please. So this one is a Nigerian.
Yeah, this one is a Nigerian to a girl.
No, Obrokwa nke na America. Nka bụ only witness this thing that happened, and he denied. Also, a Nigerian. I wish I can see through it that she is a Nigerian, though that she is a Nigerian. But then when anything they can genocide in Nigeria, even this shooting, you see, God is God. Okay, for this our God, don't wait to say me, and she fell by the sword. It's It's Marcelo Okocha. When I see it, okay, she claimed no genocide killed by jihadists. Let me just 1 second, please. If I can send it to you, Then I will send it to you. I was shocked. The name of the lady. Yes, I was shocked. Okay, yes, please just hold on a little bit. The name is the name of the blogger, or the blogger is Dayo Abiola Oworuola. That's the lady. I say, I am in Nigeria and I am a Christian. I am not facing any genocide or external threat. God bless Nigeria. May President Baba Ahmed Tinubu succeed. So this lady was, I think, Osonande followed by the age of this sporadical shooting. You understand? That happened, you know. So at the comment section, people say a lot. So even for people that are still joking with this, they will fall by the sword. If when the time comes, let me stop here. I think I have to share it for you, Mr. Kai. Okay.
Please, man. So, I would like to have a seat. Wow, this is shocking.
Okay. Yeah, let me share it for you. And when you see what people said, she chose tribalism and Nigeria happened to her. She died. She died.
And the lady based in Nigeria.
Yes.
That is what happens when you mess yourself up. Where is Reno Omokri today? Where is Bayo and Doluga? Yes. All these people. Whenever you undermine the truth, you get messed up.
Mr. Kai, let me share it for you. Sorry, let me share it so you can see it and you go through it. He did not, this was what she said on her. Let me check, sorry. On November 2nd, that's when this lady made this comment. He made this comment, Dayo Abiola Oworuola made this comment on November 2nd. Then today, he is no more. December, we toya to boya. If I horse and only he fed the kaya.
And that be the men of Kwara State.
Huh? Let me just share it for you, okay? So that I give other people space to talk. I'm at work. I will come in again, okay?
All right. Thank you. Thank you so much. Triple M, unmute your mic. Triple M, are you there? I don't work at one I work on all low.
Now, Abelamo, what animal can be?
You will negi.
Ibu don't know. My brother, I don't know. Good. Kaya gazera again. Ma. We back in the comment in the room, and then no comment section. Greetings. Konyeshi Yazere.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my sister Kunabu. As if Onyesu iminkita de maya huota. This thing has been my prayer day and night for anybody that supports the zoo. May that team that they support visit them. Akwa ihe mmadụ na support bụ ihe likely. Onye ihe na support obiara, onye ihe na support obiara, ọ bụ njọ na. So let them enjoy it. I was talking with someone on our platform. Nnekuku Biafra, ha na-asị na ha ga-akpọrọ m na ha ga-report m to DSS. Ha ga-send them to DSS. And so onye ahụ may Nigeria happen to you. Just why am I cursing him? How am I cursing you? Asking him, may what you believe in happen to you, and you are shouting, I'm cursing you. How is it
about MM?
This thing, we have this encounter last month. Though we have been having it often, even before Tribu comes, we have been having it. When I told them that Peter Obi is coming there to deceive them. Recently, we betted it. He refused to put money. I told them that P2B will win, but they will not give it to him. But they brought him here to stop what we are doing. Thank God for our PM. After the election, my idea, Bugotea, even I left them after election. P2B is no guy caught to the situation to receive at the end of the day. We pay Metro the matter. Buteba, Gashiazo, na 2022. Every October, November, and now about the war. Bugote, the guy, we are like, that one don't go now. That one, you see, that one don't go. How? How can he go? You bet your life here. How can you come here and tell me that one don't go? He never go. That is what you believe in. Oh, man, come just here, Nigeria will happen to him. That Nigeria will happen to him. That's why am I cursing him?
Almost able to say M. Okay.
Oh yeah, man. That's it. Anybody that believes that nothing is happening. Walls, yes. Bush here, Grand here, air here. So, Otaka organize Biraha to Funufu. Remember, my mom on a platform because a platform Kelena. Okay, all platforms said us. One senator send me about talking. Emma Haga abroad of Gacha school. Habata Nigeria. Gaga because a criteria will give NYAC. A gaha any post. Bata for the NYAC and buy. Uzo Haneke Hano Kao Omuyaji Moto accident in Russia. Both of them. Yeah, gonna have
Easterners.
No, or not. Or not. Nah, my brother. Our people are dying. Even when I come to some platform, now I'm gonna see, and I see eburu. Get every mother patana kantaya. No way he do time. When the open mother can ebu you, no.
No, I'm surprised.
Nobodo Yibo, I know my brother Kai. Nobodo Yibo. Little crash. Kamuta bog in little crash. And when you know one aga block that road, divert Kamuta another road. Change police, change the insurance. Weze ka na my area ka moto me mistake. Kobo onye dispatch rider. Nde overfood nda. The guy won there instantly. Emana I block roads for good 15 hours. Eba na emete sala. A test in a test in 15 hours in Gamazino. I block road, divert is the whole motor to a major congestion at the other routes. I brought one way, benefit about one way. But again, no phone young. Na nehe neme obodo manoma na ka mana gapụta na asị that na it is not only Christian.
Eba na ozu na-eme campaign election.
That is it now. As mana pụta sị it is not only Muslim, it's not only Christians, so they are also killing Muslims. So that is killing now is a natural something. Killing now is a natural something. Oh, I can't now. See, they are killing this and that. So down. Killing now all are a right. They have rights. Are you aware in the Western world, in a for any position, any public, even a choro, I can take your past record, Kai. I can take your past record, because when it's in him, yeah, man, I record again. Kamata Gabia under 3 months. I see Boko Haram, repentant Boko Haram, who were Tiganami. In a me, only Boko Haram repentant, name integrate in army. Whereas Boko Haram are still acting, they are active. Ndachupro, Nabeha, one day Buru, they have not gone back to their house. They have not been settled back to their house. Ndaburuha, Otahaso repentant, Tigana your security. Johnny continues. The reason that you put a IDP camp, Echi agaba nga busia ha ndị nke apụtakwa ha asakwa werekwa ha repentant. They have ha gala 6 months course. They are now a changed person. Ebute ha na military, ebute ha to integrate in their community. They are telling you, America, what you say is lie. We are not doing this. We are not doing. Only that alone, my brother, only that alone. As you go, you see, we made this country a particular concern. But you see people, Igbo say utem na hu this ha ndi Igbo. E nwere record o target shi me ha establish. They kwa na protest kwa that same thing. Ga-erishi ha. Nke ahụ mmadụ iji aka ya gaa rụcha egbe face onwe ya gbagbuo. It's quite because the thing I'm seeing this time around, honestly, I do shed tears. Man, I'm better akwa ma go so the only thing nenye mo bi angore because obi kare community, not only me, many people would have died. These people were able to scuttle this our redeclare. And now today, I say Mezia. We can't be here, my brother. Even America, the only thing now, here America might not come there, but they are just gathering information. They are just gathering what is happening. They already know. The only thing now, results now to recognize the existing government in Biafra, they legitimize. Delegitimate by everything. We have met all the requirements. That is only Ibaga Ghana and the Hapu Hale Bakam Zuga Wishakona. My Abraham amazing our youth. Please, my genuine fellow Biafran youth, because let us avoid night movement. They are now systematically taking us away. They are now taking us away systematically. Eba late night, I told him he was suspect because Emre Hanam to exterminate all the youth from the Igbo land, Biafra land. Not only Alibo, the whole Biafra land. That is what they are doing now. They will arrest Onyauro. Nagaro when you name business to Bumoto. How they may arrest, don't may always suspect. Or an IPOB member, which is true. Yes, I ain't an IPOB member. What is the meaning of IPOB? Or we hear the certain governor so feeling her name. How many have IPOB member? Mogeru could have given arrest as IPOB member. It's a better process. Makana that thing that kill your children. Yeah, who's your children because you open door for them. Yeah, your children and go. Yeah, Grozionia Hamepegede user. That is just that. But these people don't know about this. So my people, if possible, thank God for food. Sleep over where you are and make a call. Say this is where you went to. You can't come back because of the situation of things. Olende on a military dahana, all that same be integrated. Nigeria has been captured. If Tinubu will tell you, according to the confession that Hausa woman made, Fulani woman in America, but Tinubu na where on government here, so what do you have for us? We in the northern concerning regards to the insecurity. Tinubu will say that as for insecurity, that he will not go there. If he fights insecurity, they will kill him. In that case, I am not interested in your government. So if Tinubu will tell you that, people still see Tinubu that no Yamanachi. One day Tinubu no there as Oche Baba. Just there.
Tinubu we Agbadona Ewa. Yako the security.
He just there. People piloting the affairs of the zoo no underground. And the Fulani are captured during our border during that period. Our leader Martin Canon on a preach. Can these people na Jiwayo na Arevata they taking upper hand in their positions? all the key posts, even the active executive orders, Hana capture one after the other. Buhari abata the he were Buhari mgbe bia Buhari anwo he were onye ocean how to ga so Buhari ji take care over everything. Because they our leader Mazen and the Kano. But she's out on that period. That's why whatever thing that is that
gonna why is such a
eh
nke a ga-ese gị na nwaanyị isi nwanne nwoke gị na-akpọ ya ochi
now wow my sister one obundo she's gone already.
nwanne nwoke gị na-akpọ ya Jubril.
They captured every new and crew of government. If not that they have not captured that country, that so-called contraction, you can't tell me that America made an announcement in regards to this killing now on. What they are trying to do now, that Yoruba land now, that area now, that part now, they want to capture it. They go to now, everybody go to Nigeria. How go buy? That is what they are trying to do. Yeah, they are facilitating now because whatever thing had no name now, any place I capture now, everybody go there. So one neighbor will go their own. That's why they are facilitating about this. They don't want to pause. They don't want to pause. And what you see is karma. Karma is what is coming upon them. Yeah, another thing, there is a statement our sister made regards to video you played. I don't know. I just came in. I'm more regards to Deri and the Lai Mohammed of Biafra struggle. So I didn't capture it. I wasn't here then. So can you come out later update? Camera my chair could there.
Okay. Many people with this update. If you don't but before then, Madam Origin is in house. Please, Madam Origin, I hope you are not in a haste.
That's all right. I eat at this moment. Why? He throw more light on it, then I can come back.
I will throw more light on it after this. Madam Origin, are you rushing or?
Well, I just wanted, I was watching from behind,
Okay.
and I heard. I agree to Mr. Kai TV, Kai report, and where I was listening was when I got to where Madam River Goddess was talking about an Adeola that passed away. So I wanted to correct that it's not the Adeola we know; it is another Adeola.
Yes, she said it. She said it.
Okay. So that's I'm watching from behind. I'm a little behind, so I don't really know much of what was discussed. But I know that you showcased a couple of videos and thank God for our woman God gave to us, Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. She does not. And I think right now, a time will show us what God gave to us. And she's not blowing anything at all. She's not saying anything, except when she needed to clarify a few things, which is what she did. And Moran Global, I don't even know how people are seeing that. Those people should go and I got but I'm meaning wow. Let them we I don't even know how they decided to just feature them. They should not come anywhere near USB. Because
you sound like you know the reason why we are here tonight.
Yeah, I was, like I said, I was watching from behind. I'm a little bit behind.
Yeah, because the major thing is that this issue of Asari Edogo claiming that he is the one that, because of his handshake in Washington, D.C., that's why Trump and the U.S. government decided to designate Nigeria as a
yeah, I wanted you people to, whenever you mention Ogenkere and his craziness, you don't forget the Moran Global, because they are like, or they call it Posa. They mess themselves up. So putting them, and needed to also clear that one out and throw them out of that, that newspaper thing. Anyway, with time, we're going to fix a couple of things and teach Nigeria how to behave. They are just messing up that country. Thank God, like Dr. Ngozi Orabweze said, there's gonna be the whole world. The whole world, I mean the whole world. I don't know who is with Nigeria, including the Arab world. They are disgusted with what Nigeria is doing to them. A few things I will send to you, Mazi Kai. I'm sure that now it happened the Arab world doing the Islam. I get deal with this because they expose everything. You know how somebody is a thief. And he's wearing suit and walking around.
Okay, I come to the because we respect Ogenkere suit. He spent a lot of money to purchase those suits. So the more if you we have to respect that suit, of course, because he believed that wearing suit, just put on your suit and talk, people will follow you and all that. That's why one of his fan or one of his follower, Irat, was here trying to insult his father. Kai report, you should respect Ogenkere, give the accolade to Ogenkere. He's the one that did this and did that. I was like, wow, are you kidding me? But in case if you missed, I don't think, Madam Origin, you missed anything because from the way you talk now, I can tell that you have captured the reason why we're here. There's a breaking news today that this issue of who actually submitted document to US and the issue of what Christians and Biafrans are going through in Nigeria today, that actually contributed a lot in this issue. The American government is getting Nigeria as a country of particular concern. It is not clear. The original documents of first today, that the guidance, that is the people that made publication for the first publication about it is from Guardian. Then Daily Trust have it now. Eastern Blog is there now. So many platforms is now reporting it, and COS have already reacted on it as well. And when you read her statement, you can see what a leader like. It's just like night and day to compare what Azario was trying to force himself, because he claimed that conventional hearing and conventional briefing or conventional rumor or conventional gossiping, I don't know what because they can change it at any time, that this is the reason why Trump administration tried to designate Nigeria as the country of particular concern. But if you go through the document which I have done here, all right, you will see it is well written. COS name is mentioned, Ms. Diana, her name is there, everything was well structured there. But due to Ogenkere in and out statement as president of the Brigade, because he keep on telling him the followers and people who don't have time to research, who want to grab information from him, thinking that you are listening to someone. So some of the error in that publication is saying that Biafran was declared on 2nd of December. Yesterday I think we discussed it. It was not yesterday about it, and we'll continue talking about it because I think people are making that very big blunder, that Biafran was declared on it's not the 2nd of December, it's 29th of November. Whether you like it or not, that's what it is. You cannot judge because of your hate or your agenda. You want people to change the date simply because you want to push one negative narrative. Bah, it won't happen. We will continue talking about it. We are not going to stop anytime soon, because without it, they will baptize everything and convert it to their own way, which is not possible, because we all watch it. We know what happened that day. We are mature before the date. So I think with the date, it cannot just be manipulated simply because Azayog and Archibong want us to think and behave like them. That's not how things work. And for a record purpose, we keep on saying that, and not because we are not forcing any wrong narrative. You can go and research and find out what happened on 29th of November. Biafran, you just go and check it. Ask Google. Maybe it will help you, because they have not paid Google to change it. The date is still original. Thank you.
Anyway, so yeah, today I'm a little busy and all of that. 363.
I understand.
All right, I rest. I'm glad that she was able to clarify that, because this place we only present the authentic. So
we don't have any choice now. We don't have any choice because the lie is too much. The lie is too much. Somebody look at Ogen can actually believe that this is how to lead. This moment.
Another thing I want to say here and now is that there is a please, everybody. I keep saying this. Please, this is a good time to, when things like this come out, information will flood. Some information that I have now about Islam and how lie is embedded in their religion, it's a shock. I didn't know that. And this is people are just throwing things in. You go to X, you will feed yourself. Even Muslims are coming out talking, and X, those that left Islam there's information. And I think earlier, I think was it like a month or two ago, there was some even up to Saudi Arabia is sending their young ones to come and kind of help manage this. You know how there is a dark part of this religion that they are trying to clean up, and Nigeria is just there messing them, exposing what they would have preferred that it is hidden. So they are coming out talking that Brotherhood, there's this other group that is pursuing this aspect of Islam, and that is the country that Nigeria is mimicking Iran, and Iran is the one that is funding and trying to expand jihad and conquer the whole world through the Brotherhood organization. So while Saudi Arabia and places like UAE are pro Western civilization, so you see there is this two, I would just say two factions of the Islam. And this disgrace is just, when you look at places like Saudi Arabia, UAE, and all of the Jordan, those ones that really are now ashamed of that aspect of Islam, and they want to make it up. Nigeria is just exposing them. Yeah, I don't know if the what do you call it, of Saudi Arabia, their prince, if he has left US. He was there all day yesterday.
Yeah, with Cristiano Ronaldo.
Yes. So you see, and you are here, and UK is, I don't know how they're gonna save their face from this mess. I think they distance themselves from Nigeria too. So I don't know who is beating the drum that Ogenkere and AKA Tinubu are dancing. Who is a wait and see thing? We are here now. All right, I leave you because I'm kind of busy today.
Thank you so much. Before you go, I don't know if I've seen this or watched this video that is on screen. How Fulanese are now in Imo State.
Yes, it was in your earlier.
Yes, I showed that because I want us to, because even I saw while broadcasting now, there's a video which I'm not gonna share that one because there's that video, the people there have a catapult and gravel, a lot of them somewhere in coastal region, and they're making use of River Niger as we speak with the speedboats. And these are Fulani, of course, in eastern part and south and all that. So
if you can send it to my WhatsApp, so that one.
Yeah, I will share it in the WhatsApp. I share in WhatsApp. The thing is just confusing, but God is our strength. All this thing is what we already know, but so our people choose to gossip than
just to create awareness. Everybody tell your people, anybody in the Southeast, they should be just stay safe, be careful. Because we don't
like a Triple M, the advice are from Triple M. Please, if in case you missed out that advice, very important. If you're in homeland, stop keeping late. Like if you go out, make sure that you come back before 6:30. You're already at home. You understand? 6:30. Otherwise, sleep over anywhere you are.
Up to church. If this especially this night and tomorrow, if these pastors, they should tell everybody stay home. Stay home, but who knows what they're going to do there?
No, in Igbo so if you want to give your life to pastors instead of giving it to Christ, is your choice. So because what do I mean by that? If your pastor insists that you must come to church. Going to church is good, but as I am, like if I am in the homeland now, I will not attend any church that don't have enough catapults in that church. You must have enough catapults for me to, and gravel must be there. Like this kind of we need to buy Miro, maybe Bonvita and milk powder one. The tin must be enough so that anybody can want to drink tea will drink tea, and you have to have of course for those who don't know how to make tea, cold one and warm one, you need to learn how to do it, because church now, what happened in Kwara State yesterday, it should be an eye opener to you, because anything is possible these days. Don't just go there and fold your hand. I don't think it's good now. No. Thank you so much. We have general update. General update is in the house. Let's hear from you before. Madam Oluji, thank you. So God bless you for your time.
Welcome. Yeah.
Thank you. General update. Let's hear from you. I like this your name more.
Yeah. Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me? Yes, continue.
Okay. Well, first of all, I want to appreciate your work. I've always been at the background of this Biafra movement, and I appreciate you. And
thank you.
Mazi Okocha too. And just earlier today, I was on Mazi Chuk's platform, and I really want to appreciate you guys for the work. You see, the truth about it is that the hand that gets itself soiled would always eat from it. They will always go back to their vomit because they don't have a choice. Life, as it may be, it's structured that how you arrange your bed, that's how you're going to lie in it. I see things, God revealed things to me, and I've seen things. Apparently, the second Niger Bridge links to Idemili in Old Anambra State. Yeah. And, I hail from there, and things have been happening lately there. These guys, these Fulani rat tags have infiltrated that place seriously. They are in the bushes there. And it's quite obvious that they are not just there. I think they have a signing with the state government. And that is what is still keeping them in that seat. But one thing is certain. The day of reckoning has come. is so certain. It wasn't an error that Trump, you understand? Like I normally tell people, I said, look, the second coming of Trump is because of the Biafra movement. God is giving him a second chance. And that is why he's acting this way. And at the end of the day, let's just write it down. Now, Trump is going to contribute massively in dividing this country, this hell of failed state country. Let us just position ourselves, but it is the Lord's doing. God is going to do it. He has already done it. He has already done it. The full establishment is coming soon. You know, we have been declared. Yeah, we have been declared, but God has stepped in now. I'm telling you this from a revelation that I see, and I'm saying this is my first time speaking in the studios.
Wow.
And yeah, this is the first time, guy. I've been with you guys for years. I'm telling you, I'm a very careful person. I seek the face of God for direction first. To see, I don't go where God don't go. Now, it's an order. God has ordered, and I know where God stands. I tell them that Nigeria was never God's plan.
At all.
It was never God's plan. It is just an orchestration of a greedy set of people. And see, Mazika, let's celebrate, because all these things that is happening for a reason. If not of these things, there are so many people to that promised land that will be with you. You never know their enemies. You never know. So for all these things, Akachukwu, thank you all in the house. I'll speak to you. Yeah, I'll speak to you tomorrow again. I'll be constant now on your platform. I'm General Update. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, General Update. I appreciate your time. Thank you. The truth is that, like I told.
I'm done. Masikai, thank you very much for the opportunity.
Thank you. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow, my brother. Thank you. Like I told Obi-Wan earlier today that to me, Nigeria is pregnant. You understand? But we know that it's pregnant. We don't know the gender of the baby. You understand? So anything is possible. But whether it's pregnant, it's pregnant. And we have been waiting for this this new baby. The only thing is that we don't know the gender yet. But we are sure now that it's pregnant, and we are sure that it's about to deliver. When, we don't know. How, we don't know, but surely something, it must deliver, must conceive. So everything is the conception has already been done. Now it delivers Ghana. So we are gonna end it here. Triple M, are you still with us, or you are back to work?
Yeah, I'm here, brother. I'm just watching what is happening in the world now. They were saying a group of people, group of Fulanis trooping inside the state with a bike.
Yes, so I should go near now.
Oh my goodness. Anyway, my good people, I think we shall call it a day. One thing that gives me joy, and the host of Lovers of Our Freedom and the supporters of USB, is that particular mandate that we grabbed on the 29th of November 2024. That is just the reason why. That is the reason why we are here today. And nobody, no man born of a woman can take it away from us.
Yes, sir.
Kai, you say something here. You say something is happening when you don't know. Kai, this Christmas, Biafran is gonna celebrate Christmas as a Biafran. What is today's date? 19th. Mark it down. I've said it before. We said it again.
Amen.
Biafran.
Amen. Amen.
We are celebrating Christmas this year with Biafra. Oga Hakare. Before the ending of this November to December, you will see the hand height. You know, if you are in spirit, you will already see it. You will see it. My fellow Biafrans, I wish each and every one of you, Biafra at last, as we jungle and prepare to go back to our land. Nobody can stop us. Nothing will stop us. I wish you all the same. Thank you. Tomorrow is our leader Mazina Nikalu's day.
Tomorrow is
we don't, whatever thing they like, let them do. Everything has been ended spiritually. So Zoo is just, they're just playing Yankee Panky. Our leader Mazina Nikano will never be jailed. Zoo aga hatungu our leader Mazina Donka. That is one thing we need to be rest assured of. If they like, let them postpone it that same tomorrow. But they will never ever pronounce him to be jailed. How many days, how many months, how many years are they possible? Zoo cannot do it. Thank you very much, my people. I wish you guys
God bless you.
Good
God
night.
bless you. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, my people. Thank you all for joining me, and we appreciate you, all of us. Those of us that joined join me here in the studio, may God bless you and enrich you. Our brother Using Wife, may God bless you for supporting us. And you on the comment section, may God bless you. You that shared and liked, may God bless you. See you tomorrow. Good night. Bye-bye for now. Take care.
Egede. Aga wa cho bụrụ ọkpa go nwa agwọ nọ dị ọ na-agba ego. Atụpụkwa na agwa adị ọsụgụ ego ahụ ọ na-agba ọnụ. Biko onye ọbụla ga-eji welu ndụmọdụ dị mkpa. Ndụmọdụ a dịkwa mkpa. Egede. Mana before anyị enye ndụmọdụ a. Na anyị ga-ajụ ajụjụ agwa ịma n'obodo awogo obodo ụmụ anụmanụ obodo ụmụ anụ ọbịa ya mere onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ agwọ onye ọbụla jee mụọ ka esi azụ so that ụbọchị ọbụla ị chọrọ ego abụrụ na ifuru ego iziri agwọ na banki yo ka ọ pụtalụ ya ego oyibo kpọrọ ya snake ATM n'ọdịkwa egwu egede ọgwa ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego ọgwa ịma na agwọ na-enozi ego agwọ nọgidere ego no 36 million ọ dị n'akwụkwọ ife adịkwa m egwu egede ma ị mara azụ agwọ jee mụọ ka esi azụ mọnki na-ebu ego egbu ma ị mara azụ mọnki jee jụọ ndị 911 fa ga-akọwalụ ya ọfụma biko na o nwere ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ ajụjụ adịkwa mkpa egede eje m n'ọsọ ọsọ banana ka mọnki na-egbu ama m na ọ na-egbu ego mọnki bugidere ego bụ 70 million ife adịkwa m ego abụrụ na ị ga-echete ife melụla sie ọkwala sie mgbe onye isi anabatalụ be anyị na-emelụ ka anyị marụ n'oke katapila atagago ọfisi onye isi ana na ga-alụgharị ya alụgharị ife a ga-eji rụgharịa ya 9 billion. Ndị a na-eri anya ọrụ. Biko na o nwere ajụjụ anyị na-ajụ. Biko ajụjụ ọ dịkwa mkpa. Ọfịs onye isi ala ọ dị na Jegule. Onye ma ya kọwakwa ọfịs onye isi ala biko ọ dị na Awada. Ife ọ dịkwa m igwe. Ọfịs onye isi ala nwanne ọ dị na Ịlaje. Obodo efi ka mkpa wee karịa nọ mmadụ. Obodo efi ka mkpa wee karịa nọ. Egbe eji eche pinje kakwa nke ji eche mmadụ nche. Ife a dị egwu. Obodo enwelụ Operation Crocodile Smile. Ọ dị ya n'ọkara aka. Obodo enwelụ Operation Python Dance. Egwu eke. Egwu. Obodo enwelụ Operation Catrace. Ihe niile na-ada anụ anụ. Lassa fever na-akpagharị n'obodo. Na-egbe monkeypox. Ọ dị egwu. Ife aka ezigbo onye amụma Nnamdi Kanu. N'obula amụma wee si. Ọkwa si n'obodo awogo obodo ụmụ anụmanụ. Achụbazie ya ka egbue. Ngwa na-awa ọchịkwanụ. Na-enwekwere ike. Na-enwekwara ike bifo ndị ọchịchị ha lituo. Ịma ife ọzọ ị ga-anụzi. Na-enye eburugo Central Bank yo. Ife adịkwa m. Onye eze na onwe